Salam, hi there, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and in this video series we'll teach you 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every Tuesday we'll teach you 10 more new vocabulary words, and in total we'll have 500. And on Fridays we'll upload a video about the specific topic, like we had about the family members, the colors, or the numbers. Sometimes I don't know how to pronounce a word in English, even if I know the meaning, because English is not my first language. That's why I go to dictionary.cambridge.org to see how to pronounce some words, and you can see in British or American English the pronunciation. So that's why my brother Hassan and we decided to make this video series for you, for people who are learning Tajik. So you will not only learn 500 most common words and phrases, but also you'll learn how to pronounce them correctly. Alright, let's get started. Our first word is hello. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Salam. Salam. Hello in Tajik, Assalamu alaikum. Some people say Assalamu alaikum. And you can also say salam, just salam. Okay, and here's a sentence. Hello, I'm back. Salam, man bargashtam. Okay, salam, man bargashtam. Excuse me. Mebakhshed. Bubakhshed. Excuse me, mebakhshed or bubakhshed. Excuse me for being late. Mebakhshed ki der kardam. Mebakhshed ki der kardam. I'm sorry. Uzr or bakhshish. I'm sorry. Uzr, bakhshish. I'm sorry for what I've done. Askori kardam pushaymonam. Askori kardam pushaymonam. And in Tajikistan, uzr, bakhshish, mebakhshed or bubakhshed, they are pretty much the same, so you can use them interchangeably, like I'm sorry or excuse me. They are almost the same. Good night. Khobi khush. Khobi khush. Good night. Khobi khush. Now I shall go to sleep. Good night. Aknun man khob mikunam. Khobi khush. Aknun man khob mikunam. Khobi khush. Nice to meet you. Az shinosoyi bo shumo khursandam. Az shinosoyi bo shumo khursandam. Az shinosoyi bo shumo khursandam. So, nice to meet you, Aziz John. Az shinosoyi bo shumo khursandam, Aziz John. Aziz John, it's a male name. Az shinosoyi bo shumo khursandam, Aziz John. How are you? Shumo chikhel. Shumo chikhel. Shumo chikhel. How are you? So, how are you, my friend? Shumo chikhel dostam. Shumo chikhel dostam. Yes. Ha. Bale. Yes. Ha or bale. Yes, let's play a new game. Bale, بیایید یک بازی نو بازی کنیم. بله، بیایید یک بازی نو بازی کنیم. No. نه. No. نه. نه. No, I don't need it. نه، به من لازم نیست. نه، به من لازم نیست. Thank you. Rahmat or tashakkur. Rahmat, tashakkur. Thank you. Rahmat or tashakkur. Thank you again. I really appreciate working with you. بار دیگر تشکر. من در حقیقت با شما کار کردن رو قدر میکنم. بار دیگر تشکر. من در حقیقت با شما کار کردن رو قدر میکنم. Goodbye. تا دیدن. خیر. Goodbye. تا دیدن or خیر. We use both of them. So, goodbye, Nozanin. See you next week. Nozanin, it's a female name. خیر, Nozanin. هفته آینده وا میخوریم. Okay? خیر, Nozanin. هفته آینده وا میخوریم. Remember, the goal of this series is to help you to build vocabulary words and also learn correct pronunciation of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next week. Khair. Salam. Hello, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and in this video series we'll learn 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And this is week 2. So today we'll learn 10 more new vocabulary words. Beautiful. Zebo, khushru. Beautiful. Zebo, khushru. Zebo, khushru. So it's the most beautiful place in the city. In joy zebotarini shahr ast. اینجای زیباترین شهر است. And we use زیبا خوشرو interchangeably. So when it comes to the person, we usually say آدمی خوشرو, beautiful person. And flower, for example, flower we say گلی زیبا, okay, beautiful flower, گلی زیبا. Ugly, زشت, بزیب, زشت, بزیب, زشت, بزیب. What an ugly behavior. این چه خصلتی زشت. این چه خصلتی زشت. Bad, bad, bad. So it sounds pretty much the same like in English. Bad news, said the guard. خبر بد, گفت پاسبان. خبر بد, گفت پاسبان. Good, خوب, نغز. خوب, نغز. خوب, نغز. We use both of them. So, you are expected to do a good job. از شما کاری خوب انتظارند. از شما کاری خوب انتظارند. Easy, آسان. آسان, آسان. The rest was easy. باقی مانده آسان بود. باقی مانده آسان بود. Difficult, مشکل, دشوار. مشکل, دشوار. مشکل and دشوار. We use both of them. I don't know, he said slowly. It's a difficult thing you ask. نمیدونم, آهسته گفت او. این یک چیز دشواری است که شما میپرسید. نمیدونم, آهسته گفت او. این یک چیز دشواری است که شما میپرسید. Small, خرد. خرد, خرد. The desk is too small for شکرالله. شکرالله is a male name. این میز برای شکرالله خیلی خرد است. این میز برای شکرالله خیلی خرد است. Big, کلان. کلان, کلان. Big girls don't cry. There's a famous song. Big girls don't cry. In Tajik, دخترانی کلان گریه نمیکنند. دخترانی کلان گریه نمیکنند. Far, دور. دور, دور. Why did he live so far away from everything? چرا وی اینقدر دور از همه چیز زندگی میکرد؟ چرا وی اینقدر دور از همه چیز زندگی میکرد؟ Near, نزدیک. نزدیک, نزدیک. People came from far and near to hear the famous violinist. آدمان از دور و نزدیک برای شنیدن غجگنواز مشهور می آمدند. آدمان از دور و نزدیک برای شنیدن غجگنواز مشهور می آمدند. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, the goal of this series is to help you to build the vocabulary words and also learn correct pronunciation of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. Okay, see you guys next week. Khair. سلام، نامی من حسین. خوش آمدید به Learning Tajik with Achilovs. این هفته سیوم. امروز با 10 کلمه نو یاد میگیریم. So, hi, my name is Hussein. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. And this is week 3. So today we'll learn 10 more new words. I am, man, hastam. I am, man, hastam. So I, man, and am, hastam. But we don't really use hastam. It's optional. So let's look at the sentence. I am a student. Man donishjoyam. So because we have yam at the end, we don't need hastam. If you say man donishjoyam hastam, it doesn't make sense. So man donishjoyam is enough. Or if you want to say hastam, it will be man donishjo hastam without yam. Yesterday. Dirus, dina. Dirus. Dirus and dina. Dina. We use both of them, dirus and dina. So, yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. دیروز همه این مشکل ها به نظر نمی نمودند. دیروز همه این مشکل ها به نظر نمی نمودند. Today, امروز. 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 Today, we are going to finish our homework. امروز ما وظیفه خانگی خود را انجام می دهیم. امروز ما وظیفه خانگی خود را انجام می دهیم. Tomorrow. پگاه. فردا. Fardo. Fardo and pagah. Pagah. So don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. کاری امروزه رو به فردا مگذار. کاری امروزه رو به فردا مگذار. Morning. صبح. سحر. صبح. صبح and sahar. Sahar. So on Sunday mornings, I like to relax and read a book. субҳи рӯзи якшанбе ман истироҳат карда китоб хонданро дӯст медорам. Субҳи рӯзи якшанбе ман истироҳат карда китоб хонданро дӯст медорам. Afternoon нисфи рӯзӣ. Нисфи рӯзӣ. Нисфи рӯзӣ. I am free this afternoon. Ман ин нисфи рӯзӣ озодам. Ман ин нисфи рӯзӣ озодам. Evening бегоҳ шом. Бегоҳ and begohi. Begoh we use when we say, for example, like this evening in begoh. And let me explain you begohi. So 7 p.m. So 7 o'clock in the evening, we say hafti begohi. So at hafti begohi, okay? So you see, it's a bit different. So when it's specific, when you mention the time, you can say begohi. And we also use shom. Shom and begoh. And if it sounds too complicated, begoh and begohi, you can just use shom. It's much easier. Enjoy your evening. Az shomi khud lazat barid. To be honest, we don't really say that. We don't say az shomi khud lazat barid. Usually we say like good night, like khobi khush, but it's not that common to say az shomi khud lazat barid. Night. Shab. Shab. We watched the basketball on TV last night. мо шаби гузашта дар телевизион баскетбол тамошо кардем. мо шаби гузашта дар телевизион баскетбол тамошо кардем. Day. Рӯз. 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 Today was a fun day. Имрӯз як рӯзи хушҳолӣ буд. Имрӯз як рӯзи хушҳолӣ буд. Now. ҳозир. 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 I wish you were here now. кош ту ҳозир дар ин ҷо мебудӣ. Kosh tu hozir dar injo mebudi. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. And you can find all of these words and sentences in a PDF file. And you can find the link to that PDF file in the description of this video. So, see you next week. Todidan. Salam. Hi there. Welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. And in this video series, we'll learn 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And this is week 4, Haftai Chor. So let's get started. Second, Sonia. 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 Bahramjon, can you hang back for a second? Bahramjon is a male name. Bahramjon, yak Sonia sabr karda metavoni? Bahramjon, yak Sonia sabr karda metavoni? Minute. Daqiqa. 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 Can I talk to you for a minute? Oyo man metavonam bo shumo yak daqiqa suhbat kunam? Oyo man metavonam bo shumo yak daqiqa suhbat kunam? Hour. Soat. 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 She exercises for a full hour every day. Vay har roz yak soati purra mashq mekunad. Vay har roz yak soati purra mashq mekunad. O'clock. Soat. 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 I'll be back home by 10 o'clock. Man to soati 10 ba khona barmegardam. Man to soati 10 ba khona barmegardam. So you see hour and o'clock, we just say soat. So if it's 5 o'clock, for example, it's 5 o'clock, we say soat punch. So soat comes before the number. And if it's 5 hours, we say punch soat. So in this case, soat comes after the number, after the 5. Month. Moh. 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 We go there once or twice a month. Mo dar yak moh yak yo du marotaba ba onjo meravim. Mo dar yak moh yak yo du marotaba ba onjo meravim. Year. Sol. 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 Our profits have more than doubled this year. Foydai mo imsol beshtar az 2 marotaba afzud. Foydai mo imsol beshtar az 2 marotaba afzud. And this year in Tajik we say imsol. Do. Kardan. 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 I never thought I could do it. Man hech go fikr namekardam ki in koro karda metavonam. Man hech go fikr namekardam ki in koro karda metavonam. Go. Raftan. Raftan. Where do you want to go? شما با کجا رفتن میخواهید؟ شما با کجا رفتن میخواهید؟ See. دیدن. دیدن. Okay, دیدن. Do you want to see our garden? تو باغ ما را دیدن می‌خواهی؟ تو باغ ما را دیدن می‌خواهی? If you have noticed, in our previous example, you was شما, and in this example, you is tu. So I think you already know that شما is for someone older or you're not familiar with, and tu is maybe your classmate or your friend, your cousin. So it might be someone that you already know, you are very close. The verb دیدن is an infinitive verb, so that's why it might be different depending on the person or the time when that person is saying that. So من دیدم, وای دید, شما دیدید. You see, it's different. And if you don't know this rule yet about the verbs in Tajik, you can watch our video, and the link to that video you can find in the description of this video. Laugh. خنده. 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 خنده here is a noun, and if you want to use it as a verb, it will be خندیدن. خندیدن. So a good laugh heals a lot of hurts. خنده با بسیار دردها شفا می‌بخشد. خنده با بسیار دردها شفا می‌بخشد. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next week. تا هفته آینده. Hi. Hi there, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and you are watching 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every week, we'll teach you 10 more new vocabulary words. This is week 5, haftay panch. So, let's go. Calendar. Taqvim. 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 She circled her birthday in red on her calendar. وی زادروز خود را در تقویم با رنگ سرخ اشارت کرد. وی زادروز خود را در تقویم با رنگ سرخ اشارت کرد. Week. هفته. 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 I play tennis twice a week. من هفته 2 مرتبه تنیس بازی میکنم. من هفته 2 مرتبه تنیس بازی میکنم. You know, this is not the way how we would say it in the north part of Tajikistan. We would say something like man dar yak hafte. You see? Not hafte, but dar yak hafte. Weekend. Rozhoi istirohat. Rozhoi istirohat. Rozhoi istirohat. The bank is closed on the weekend. بانک در روزهای استراحت فعالیت نمی‌کند. بانک در روزهای استراحت فعالیت نمی‌کند. Monday. دوشنبه. 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 The deadline is next Monday. مهلت نهایی روز دوشنبه آینده است. مهلت نهایی روز دوشنبه آینده است. An interesting fact, the capital of Tajikistan, it's also called Dushanbe, the same. Tuesday. سه‌شنبه. 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 The show will be aired next Tuesday night. نمایش شب سه‌شنبه آینده برگزار می شود. نمایش شب سه‌شنبه آینده برگزار می شود. Wednesday. چهارشنبه. 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 According to the calendar, my birthday falls on Wednesday this year. طبق تقویم زادروز من امسال به روز چهارشنبه راست می آید. طبق تقویم زادروز من امسال به روز چهارشنبه راست می آید. Thursday. پنجشنبه. 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 My sister was at home on Thursday. خواهر من روز پنجشنبه در خانه بود. خواهر من روز پنجشنبه در خانه بود. In Hojand, we have a market which is called Panshanbe, just like Thursday. And I would highly recommend you to visit that place. That's a huge market, and I'm sure you will like it. Friday. Jum'ah. 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 Sayyid Olim will arrive on Friday morning. Sayyid Olim subhi Jum'ah me oyad. Sayyid Olim subhi Jum'ah me oyad. And Sayyid Olim is a male name and also my father's name. Saturday. Shanbe. 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 Let's meet next Saturday. بیا شنبه آینده و میخوریم. بیا شنبه آینده و میخوریم. And بیا here is like to, like you, if someone is younger or maybe your friend. If it's شما, someone older, you would say بیایید, okay? Not بیا, but بیایید. And we have a video about the personal pronouns in Tajik. You can find the link down below. Sunday. یکشنبه. 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 We all went for a picnic last Sunday. هممون روز یکشنبه گذشته به سیر و گشت رفتیم. هممون روز یکشنبه گذشته به سیر و گشت رفتیم. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and leaving us comments. So see you next week. Ta haftaya oyanda. Khair. Salam doston, hi friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and this is week 6 of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. Water. Ob. I need some water. Baman kamtar ob lozimast. Baman kamtar ob lozimast. Tea. Choy. 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 Make yourself a cup of hot tea. Барои худатон як пиёла чой гарм тайёр кунед. Барои худатон як пиёла чой гарм тайёр кунед. And I said худаton in this example. So худаton is for шумо. And барои худат, if I say барои худат як пиёла чой гарм тайёр кун, it's for tu. Coffee. Qahva. 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 I prefer coffee in the morning. Ман нӯшидани қаҳваро дар пагоҳи рӯзӣ афзалтар медонам. Ман нӯшидани қаҳваро дар пагоҳи рӯзӣ афзалтар медонам. Beer. Obi jaw. Obi jaw. Or most people say piva. Piva is a Russian word, so obi jaw is not that common. So I owe you a beer. Ман ба ту як obi jaw қарз дорам. Or the common way would be ман ба ту як пива қарз дорам. Yeah. Wine. Sharob. 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 We are out of wine. Sharobamon tamom shud. Sharobamon tamom shud. Beef. Gushti go. Gushti go. Gushti go. Gusht is meat and go is a cow. So it's like cow's meat. Nowadays beef is expensive. Gushti go imroz ho qimmat ast. Gushti go imroz ho qimmat ast. Chicken. Gushti murgh. Gushti murgh. Gushti murgh. Which do you like better? Chicken or fish? Кадомаш ба шумо маъқултар аст? Гӯшти мурғ ё моҳӣ? Кадомаш ба шумо маъқултар аст? Гӯшти мурғ ё моҳӣ? Pork. Гӯшти хук. Гӯшти хук. Гӯшти хук. And huk is a pig. So in Tajikistan, Tajiks, they don't eat pork, but there are some Russians and other foreigners, they eat pork. And to be honest, I've never seen pork in the market. Farukh can't eat pork. Farukh is a male name. So Farukh goshti khuk khorda nametavonad. Farukh goshti khuk khorda nametavonad. Mutton. Goshti gosfand. Goshti gosfand. Goshti gosfand. In Tajikistan, most people eat mutton and beef. дар Тоҷикистон одамон бештар гӯшти гӯсфанду гов мехӯранд. Дар Тоҷикистон одамон бештар гӯшти гӯсфанду гов мехӯранд. Fish. Mohi. 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 This fish is delicious. In mohi bolazat ast. In mohi bolazat ast. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys next week. Khair. Salam. Hi there, my name is Hussein. You are watching our video series about 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 7. Employee. Korgar. 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 And kor means a job. So he is an employee of Eskhata Bank. Why korgari bonki Eskhata meboshad? Why korgari bonki Eskhata meboshad? And Eskhata Bank is one of the most popular banks in Tajikistan. Teacher. Muallim. Muallima. Muallim. Muallim. So muallim is a male and muallima and then a is a female. So the teacher collected the papers. Muallim qogazhoro jam kard. Muallim qogazhoro jam kard. You might hear people saying omuzgor. So omuzgor is also a teacher. Muallim is just from Arabic. Omuzgor and muallim, they are the same. Salesman. Furoshande. 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 Is he a good salesman? Oya vay furoshandayi khub ast? Oya vay furoshandayi khub ast? Manager. Manager or rohbar. Manager. Manager and rohbar. Rohbar. So I've spoken to the manager about it. Man dar in bora bo rohbar suhbat kardam. Man dar in bora bo rohbar suhbat kardam. Cook. Oshpaz. 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 So she's an exceptionally good cook. Вай ошпази бениҳоят хуб аст. Вай آشپزی بینهایت خوب است. Engineer مهندس مهندس You need the advice of a qualified engineer. با شما مصلحتی مهندسی صاحب تجربه لازم است. با شما مصلحتی مهندسی صاحب تجربه لازم است. Programmer برنامه‌ساز برنامه‌ساز You can earn good money as a computer programmer. شما می توانید همچون برنامه‌سازی کامپیوتری پول خوب به دست آورید. The word computer in Tajik is royona, but it's still not that common yet. People still use computer instead of royona. Doctor دکتر The doctor forbids him to smoke. دکتر با او تماکو کشی را منع میکند. Nurse همشیره طبی That nurse is very kind and polite. آن همشیره طبی خیلی مهربان و خوشمعامله است. Melissa کارمند پلیس Melissa and کارمند پلیس Kormandi police is more formal. People usually use Melissa. So, how did you become a police officer? چطور شما کارمند پلیس شدید؟ تمام. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next week. Khair. Hi friends, Salam Dostan. My name is Hussein. You are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 8. So, let's get started. Body Badan Every muscle in his body was sore. هر یک مشک‌های بدنش درد می‌کرد. Head Sar. So, he fell asleep as soon as his head touched the pillow. همین که سرش به بالش رسید خوابش برد. Hand Dust. So, he was holding a pen in his hand. او در دستش قلم داشت. Finger انگشت. I burned my finger. من انگشتم رو سوزاندم. And in the north we say leylak instead of angusht. So it will sound something like من leylakam رو سوزاندم. Belly شکم. He had a big belly. Vay şikami kalon dost. Okay, another thing, in the north part we say ishkam instead of shikam. Leg, paw or poi. So you can use both of them. And I need to stretch my legs. Man boyad pojhoyam ro daroz kunam. Eye, chasham. And two eyes will be chashmon. Some people say chashmho. Okay, you've got beautiful eyes. Shumo chashmoni zebo dored. Ear, gush. So, a rabbit has long ears. Khargosh gushhoi daroz dorad. Nose, bini. My grandfather had a big nose. Boboyman bini kalon dost. Mouth, dahon. Some people say dahan, so you can use both of them, dahon or dahan. So, open your mouth. Dahonatro kusho. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. So, see you guys in the next video. Hi. Salam, hi, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. I'm Hussein, and this is week 9. So our first word is weather. Obu havo. Obu havo. Obu havo. How is the weather? Havo chkhel ast. Havo chkhel ast. Degree. Daraja. 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 Yesterday, the temperature was about 25 degrees Celsius. Dirus harorat taqriban 25 daraja garm bud. Dirus harorat taqriban 25 daraja garm bud. And in Tajikistan, we use Celsius. Cloudy. Aburnok. 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 Abr is a cloud and aburnok is cloudy. So it was cloudy when we woke up. وقتی که ما بیدار شدیم هوا ابرناک بود. وقتی که ما بیدار شدیم هوا ابرناک بود. Sunny. آفتابی. 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 If it's sunny tomorrow, we will go to the beach. اگر پگاه آفتابی باشد ما به ساحل می رویم. اگر پگاه آفتابی باشد ما به ساحل می رویم. And you may also hear people saying pляж. Pляж and sahil, they are the same. But pляж is a Russian word. And I think it's more common in Khojand. Rainy. Boroni. 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 Boron is rain. So, because it's rainy today, the trip is cancelled. از بس که امروز هوای بارانی می باشد سفر منع شده است. از بس که امروز هوای بارانی می باشد سفر منع شده است. And boroni, I would say it's not that common. People usually use it as a verb, like it is raining. Boron boride istoda ast, or it will rain. It will be raining. Boron miborad. Snowy. Barfi. 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 He was dressed for the cold, snowy night. Барои шаби сарду барфи либос пошида буд. Барои шаби сарду барфи لباس پوشیده بود. Cool. خنک. 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 Fall is coming and the weather is getting cooler and cooler. تیرماه آمده ایستاده است و هوا تا رفت خنک‌تر می شود. تیرماه آمده ایستاده است و هوا تا رفت خنک‌تر می شود. خنک is more like a cold than cool. So in Khojand, in the north part of Tajikistan, we usually say salqin instead of خنک. Khunuk is when it's cold. Warm. Garm. 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 The weather is warm and sunny today. امروز هوا گرم و آفتابی است. امروز هوا گرم و آفتابی است. And instead of آفتابی است, you can also say آفتابی است. It's the same. Cold. سرد. 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 But we usually say خنک. instead of sard. So the weather will stay cold until spring. هوا تا بهار سرد میماند. هوا تا بهار سرد میماند. Hot. گرم. 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 Just like warm. گرم. So they had to accustom themselves to the hot weather. آنها مجبور شدند که به هوای گرم عادت کنند. آنها مجبور شدند که به هوای گرم عادت کنند. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Khair. Salam doston. Hi friends. Welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and this is week 10. So congratulations, you made it so far. So our first word is baby. Kodak. 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 You were such a beautiful baby. شما کودکی زیبا بودید. شما کودکی زیبا بودید. Child. فرزند. 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 She bought a toy for her child. وی برای فرزندش بازیچه خرید. وی برای فرزندش بازیچه خرید. Girl. دختر. 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 The girl singing over there is my sister. دختری که در آنجا سرود میخواند خواهر من است. دختری که در آنجا سرود میخواند خواهر من است. Boy. پسر. 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 Do you know that boy? شما آن پسر را میشناسید. شما آن پسر را میشناسید. Woman. زن. 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 So Zarina is a married woman. Zarina zani shavhardor ast. Zarina zani shavhardor ast. And zan has another meaning as well, a wife. So my wife will be zani man. Man, mard, mard, mard. He is a tall man with a beard. So Ö mardi qomat balandi rishdor ast. Ö mardi qomat balandi rishdor ast. Friend, dost or oshno. Dost or oshno. Oshno is more common here. So he's an old friend of mine. Vai dosti derinei manast. Vai dosti derinei manast. Girlfriend, oshik or dostoshta. Oshik, oshik or dostoshta. Dostoshta. So my girlfriend doesn't like watching movies. Dostoshta man тамошои филмҳоро дӯст намедорад. Дӯстдоштаи ман тамошои филмҳоро дӯст намедорад. Boyfriend, ошиқ, дӯстдошта. The same like a girlfriend, ошиқ or дӯстдошта. So Manija seems to have a new boyfriend. Чунин ба назар мерасад ки Манижа дӯстдоштаи нав дорад. Чунин ба назар мерасад ки Манижа дӯстдоштаи нав дорад. If чунин ба назар мерасад is too long, you can use эҳтимол. The meaning is the same. Эҳтимол Манижа дӯстдоштаи нав дорад. Adult or adult, калонсол. 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 Sometimes adults behave like children. Баъзан калонсолон мисли кӯдакон рафтор мекунанд. Баъзан калонсолон мисли кӯдакон рафтор мекунанд. Usually when we use this word kalonsol, we talk about elderly people, people who are like 70 or 60 years old and above. And but if you go to the museum, for example, for kids the price like $5 and for adults $10. So there you will see like baroi kalonsolon for adults $10, something like that. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. So see you in the next video. Hi. Hi guys, welcome. Salam. My name is Hussein, and in this video we'll talk about numbers from 0 to 10. 0. Sifr. 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 The temperature drops below 0. Harorat az sifr past meshavad. Harorat az sifr past meshavad. Harorat is a temperature, and sifr is 0, but most people, especially in the north part of Tajikistan, we say nol instead of sifr. 1. Yak. 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 1. So my niece is almost 1 year old. Jianam qarib yak sola ast. Jianam qarib yak sola ast. 2. Du. Du sounds almost like 2. So are you two okay? آیا هر دوی شما خوب هستید؟ آیا هر دوی شما خوب هستید؟ 3. Se. Se. 3. He is 3 years older than you. Вай аз шумо 3 сол калонтар аст. Вай аз шумо 3 сол калонтар аст. 4. Chor. 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 But in some places you might see chahor, which is not that common. So chor is better. So Farhod likes oranges and eats 3 or 4 a week. Farhod афлесунро дӯст медорад ва дар як ҳафта 3 ё 4 дона мехӯрад. Farhod is a male name. So Farhod афлесунро дӯст медорад ва дар як ҳафта 3 ё 4 дона мехӯрад. 5. Punch. 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 What time is it? It's 5. Soat chand. Punch ast. Or you can just say punch without ast. Soat chand. Punch. 6. Shash. Shash. 6. Shash. But also people say shish, especially in the north part of Tajikistan. So I get up at 6 in the morning. Man soati shashi subh mekhezam. Man soati shashi subh mekhezam. 7. Haft, haft, haft. But usually when we say that, we don't pronounce T at the end. Haf, like that. She studied 7 foreign languages, but is fluent in only 4 of them. Вай 7 забони хориҷиро омӯхт, лекин танҳо 4таашро хуб медонад. Вай 7 забони хориҷиро омӯхт, лекин танҳо 4таашро хуб медонад. 8. Hasht, hasht, hasht. And just like 7, we don't pronounce T at the end. Hash, like that. So he works from 8 to 5. Вай аз 8 то 5 кор мекунад. Вай аз 8 то 5 кор мекунад. 9. N. 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 But now it's changed. It's nu now. Instead of there is u. So nu. But we still say n. She got back home at 9. Вай соати 9 ба хона баргашт. Вай соати 9 ба хона баргашт. 10. Da. 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 I'll finish my homework by 10. Ман вазифаи хонагиамро то соати 10 анҷом медиҳам. Ман вазифаи хонагиамро то соати 10 анҷом медиҳам. If you want to learn more about numbers, you can find a link to our videos in the description of this video. So we have 2 videos actually about numbers. In the first one, we talk from 1 to million, and in the second one, we talk about ordinal numbers. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Hi. Salam, hi there, welcome back. My name is Hussein, and in this lesson we'll learn 12 months of the year. So instead of 10, we'll have 12 new vocabulary words. So we'll start with January, Yanvar. Yanvar, Yanvar, this is the first month. So I need to take an exam in January. Man boyad dar mohi yanvar imtihon sporam. Man boyad dar mohi yanvar imtihon sporam. And in the north part of Tajikistan, we say yanvaranda instead of dar mohi yanvar. So this is informal, but that's how we say. So the full sentence will be Man yanvaranda imtihon misporam instead of Man dar mohi yanvar imtihon misporam. February, Fevral. Fevral, Fevral. So February 14th is Valentine's Day. 14 فوریه روزی عاشقان است. 14 فوریه روزی عاشقان است. And عاشقان here means lovers. So it's a lover's day. 14 فوریه روزی عاشقان است. March, Mart, Mart, Mart. We had a short vacation in March. ما در ماه مارت تعطیل کوتاه داشتیم. ما در ماه مارت تعطیل کوتاه داشتیم. And as I said earlier with January, in the north part we say ما مارتاندا تعطیل کوتاه داشتیم instead of در ماه مارت. مارتاندا. April, 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 April. My nephew was born on the 17th of April. جیانم 17 اپریل تولد شده است. جیانم 17 اپریل تولد شده است. May, 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 May. I haven't heard from him since last May. از ماه می سال گذشته از او خبری نشنیدم. از ماه می سال گذشته از او خبری نشنیدم. June, ایون, ایون, ایون. Since June there had been no rain. از ماه ایون تا این دم باران نبارید. از ماه ایون تا این دم باران نبارید. July, ایول, ایول, ایول. And iyun, it might be confusing a little bit because there is only one letter that is different, le and ne. So that's why when people say iyul, they say iyule sometimes to make it sure that the other person understands. Or iyune, like iyun, June. So iyun and iyul, like that. So I was in China in July. Man dar mohi iyul dar Chin budam. Man dar mohi iyul dar Chin budam. And Chin, sometimes people also say Khitoy instead of Chin. August, 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 August. She came back last August. Вай моҳи августи гузашта, соли гузашта баргашт. Vaj mohi avgusti soli guzashta bargasht. September, sentyabr. Sentyabr, sentyabr. Mustafa will go to school in September. Mustafa is a male name. Mustafa will go to school in September. In Tajik, Mustafa mohi sentyabr ba maktab meravad. Mustafa mohi sentyabr ba maktab meravad. October, oktyabr. Oktyabr, oktyabr. She started her job in early October. در اول اکتبر با کار شروع کرد. در اول اکتبر با کار شروع کرد. November, noyabr. Noyabr, noyabr. In the middle of November, he was seriously ill. در نیمه ماه نوامبر سخت بیمار شد. در نیمه ماه نوامبر سخت بیمار شد. December, 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 December. We don't have a lot of snow in December. ما در ماه دکبر برف بسیار نداریم. ما در ماه دکبر برف بسیار نداریم. If you are curious about the seasons and the days of the week, we have a video about that. You can find a link in the description of this video. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. That's been it. See you in the next video. Khair. Salam. Hi friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein and you are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And this is week 13. And in this lesson, we'll talk about some verbs, some common verbs we need in our daily conversations. And we'll start with search, justuju kardan. Justuju kardan. Justuju kardan. And justuju itself is a noun, justuju, search, and justuju kardan becomes a verb. But inside a sentence, sometimes you can hear just justuju, and depending on the sentence, it might change. It might be a verb or a noun. Okay, so he probably went to search for a book. Ehtimal ba justujuy kitap rafta ast. Ehtimal ba justujuy kitap rafta ast. And here, justujuy kitap becomes a verb, justuju. Find, yoftan. 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 I've looked everywhere, but I couldn't find the map. Man ба ҳама ҷо назар кардам, аммо харитаро ёфта натавонистам. Man ба ҳама ҷо назар кардам, аммо харитаро ёфта натавонистам. Take. Гирифтан. 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 Sit down and take your pencil. Бишин ва қаламатро бигир. Бишин ва қаламатро бигир. But in the north part, we say shinu qalamata gir. So instead of bishin and bigir, we just say shinu qalamata gir. Give, dodan. Dodan, dodan. So give me some information. Baman kami ma'lumot dihed. Baman kami ma'lumot dihed. And we have a video about the verbs, and we talk there about different tenses like the future, present, and the past tense, and also about different persons like the first person I and the second person you. So I would recommend you to watch that video because sometimes the verb might change. For example, this one is dodan, and in a sentence it's dihed. And you can find the link to that video down below. Talk, sohbat kardan. Sohbat kardan, sohbat kardan. Just like justuju kardan, sohbat itself will be a noun. Sohbat kardan is a verb. So let's talk about this. Biyoyed dar in bora sohbat kunim. Biyoyed dar in bora sohbat kunim. Say, guftan. Guftan, guftan. So it was hard to say how old he was. Чанд сола будани ӯро гуфтан душвор буд. Чанд сола будани ӯро гуфтан душвор буд. Come, omadan. Omadan, omadan. The letter hasn't come yet. Maktub hanuz naomada ast. Maktub hanuz naomada ast. And instead of hanuz, and in the north part, we say holi. So, maktub holi naomada ast. Make, soxtan, or kardan. Soxtan, soxtan, or kardan, kardan. And depending on the situation, may can have different meanings. For example, with sohtan, to make a car, moshin sohtan, and to make a mistake will be khatogi kardan. So you see different. I'm going to make myself a coffee and get back to work. من با خودم قهوه تیار میکنم و به کار برمیگردم. من با خودم قهوه تیار میکنم و به کار برمیگردم. Can توانستن I can do it. من این رو کرده میتوانم. من این رو کرده میتوانم. Call زنگ زدن. زنگ زدن. زنگ زدن. And sometimes we also say تلفن کردن. تلفن کردن. So if you need anything, be sure to call me. اگر به شما چیزی لازم باشد حتما به من زنگ زنید. اگر به شما چیزی لازم باشد حتما به من زنگ زنید. Alright, that's it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget we have a video about the verb. You can find the link in the description of this video. Until next video, bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein and this is week 14, and we'll start with clean. Toza. 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 The train was clean and comfortable. Poyezd toza va rohat bakhsh bud. Poyezd toza va rohat bakhsh bud. Dirty. Iflos, chirkin. Iflos or chirkin. So his shirt was dirty. Kurtaj chirkin bud. Kurtaj chirkin bud. Weak. Zaif. She became weak after the surgery. Vai pasas jarohi zaif shud. Vai pasas jarohi zaif shud. Strong. Qavi. Bo quwwat. Qavi or bo quwwat. So our volleyball team is very strong. Dastei volleyboli mo kheli bo quwwat ast. Dastei volleyboli mo kheli bo quwwat ast. Busy. Band. I've been very busy since the new school year started. Az oghozi soli khonishinav man kheli band budam. Az oghozi soli khonishinav man kheli band budam. Free. Ozod. And it's also a male name in Tajikistan, Ozod. So we are free on Sunday evening. ما بگاهی روز یکشنبه آزاد هستیم. ما بگاهی روز یکشنبه آزاد هستیم. Delicious. بولذت. بامزه. Or بولذت. We use both of them. So we were satisfied with the delicious food. ما از طعام‌های بولذت قناعتمند شدیم. ما از طعام‌های بولذت قناعتمند شدیم. Sweet. شیرین. My mom makes very sweet chak-chak. مادری من چکچکی خیلی شیرین میپزد. Chak-chak is a dessert and it's a fried dough coated with sticky honey glaze. Salty. Shur with a. So the cheese is rather salty, so you probably won't need salt. پنیر خیلی شور است، بنابراین به شما نمک لازم نیست. پنیر خیلی شور است، بنابراین به شما نمک لازم نیست. Sour. ترش. And sometimes we also say turush instead of tursh. So the milk went sour. شیر ترش شد. Alright, thank you very much for watching guys. That's it, and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Khair. Salam doston, hi friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein and this is week 15. So today we'll talk about some classroom objects, and we'll start with pen. Khoma. Ruchka. Khoma. Khoma or ruchka. Ruchka. Ruchka is from Russian, but it's more common. So, my pen is new. Khomai man navast. Khomai man navast. And more common way would be ruchkai man navast. Pencil. Qalam. 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 So, there is a pencil in the box. Dar quti qalam hast. Dar quti qalam hast. Rubber or eraser. Khat korkunak. Khat korkunak. Khat korkunak. And khat means a line, and kardan is to erase. So, khat korkunak. And the sentence, may I borrow your eraser? Metavonam khat korkunaki shumoro bigiram. Metavonam khat korkunaki shumoro bigiram. And for us, in the north part, it's too formal. So we would say, khat korkunakatonro giram mailashmi. Khat korkunakatonro giram mailashmi. Notebook. Daftar. 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 I record all my thoughts in a notebook. Hamai fikrhoyamro dar daftar qayd mikram. Hamai fikrhoyamro dar daftar qayd mikram. And we don't need man here at the beginning because fikrhoyam ends with yam, which means man. So we don't need to say it twice. And if it's you, it will be fikrhoyat. So it ends with yat. Paper. Qogaz. 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 Sign this paper and return it. Ба ин қоғаз имзо кунед ва гашта диҳед. Ба ин қоғаз имзо кунед ва гашта диҳед. Book. Kitop. 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 So, I think this book is worth reading. Ман фикр мекунам ки ин китоб сазовори хондан аст. Ман фикр мекунам ки ин китоб сазовори хондан аст. Dictionary. Луғат. 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 Can you recommend a good dictionary? Метавонед ягон луғати хуберо тавсия диҳед? Метавонед ягон луғати хуберо тавсия диҳед? Backpack. Ҷузувдон. 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 But usually people say sumka. Sumka. It's again from Russian and it's more common. So imagine a situation you are at the airport and you just say, I just have my backpack. I just have my backpack. And in Tajik it will be Man tanho yak ҷузувдон дорам. Man tanho yak ҷузувдон дорам. Exercise. Mashq. 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 Exercise can be done in the classroom or at home. Машқро метавонед дар синфхона ё дар хона анҷом диҳед. Машқро метавонед дар синфхона ё дар хона анҷом диҳед. Homework. Вазифаи хонагӣ. Вазифаи хонагӣ. Вазифаи хонагӣ. I did my homework yesterday evening. Ман дирӯз бегоҳ вазифаи хонагии худро иҷро кардам. Ман дирӯз бегоҳ вазифаи хонагии худро иҷро кардам. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. То дидан. Salam. Hi there. Welcome back. My name is Hussein and you are watching our 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik video series, and this is week 16. And before we start learning new words, let me remind you that we have a PDF file of this lesson. You can find the link to that file in the description box. So let's get started. I know. Man medonam. Man medonam. Man medonam. I know that place. Man onjoiro medonam. Man onjoiro medonam. I don't know. Man namedonam. Man namedonam. Man namedonam. I don't know what to do. Man namedonam chi kor kunam. Man namedonam chi kor kunam. Good. Khub. Naghs. Khub. Naghs. We use both of them. So this is a good movie. In filmi khub ast. In filmi khub ast. And some people also say kino instead of film. So they say in kinoi khub ast or in kinoi nagz ast. Bad. Bad. Ganda. Bad or ganda. And usually in the north part, we use ganda. It's more common here. So he knew it was a bad idea. Vai medonist ki in fikri bad ast. Vai medonist ki in fikri bad ast. No rush. Shitop nakunet. Or sarosima nashavet. Shitop nakunet. Or sarosima nashavet. And sarosima nashavet is more common in the north part. So I'm in no rush. Man sarosima nestam. Man sarosima nestam. Need. Darkor. Lozim. Darkor or lozim. Darkor and lozim. So, do you need any help? Oyo bashumo yagon kömak lozim ast. Oyo bashumo yagon kömak lozim ast. In the north, instead of kömak, usually we use yordam. Yordam. And the sentence itself will be shorter. So, yordam darkor mi. Yordam darkor mi. And me at the end, it will show that it's a sentence. So in Tajik, it's a question, sorry. And in Tajik, it's called bandaki mi. No need. Lozim nest or darkor nest. Lozim nest or darkor nest. But usually we don't say nest. We just say ne. So lozim ne or darkor ne. So I know someone who could help you. No need. I can do it myself. Man کسی رو میدانم که با تو یاری رسانیده میتواند لازم نیست من خودم این کار رو کرده میتوانم من کسی رو میدانم که با تو یاری رسانیده میتواند لازم نیست من خودم این کار رو کرده میتوانم I'm sure من باوری دارم من باوری دارم من باوری دارم I'm sure you got it من باوری دارم که شما فهمیدید من باوری دارم که شما فهمیدید. Tell me please. لطفاً بگویید. لطفاً نقل کنید. لطفاً بگویید or لطفاً نقل کنید. So, tell me about yourself. لطفاً درباره خودتان نقل کنید. لطفاً درباره خودتان نقل کنید. And the word لطفاً, which means please in English, in Tajik, لطفاً is not that common. People usually don't use it, so you can just say درباره خودتان نقل کنید without لطفاً. Of course. البته. 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 When you were in London, did you go to any shows? Of course we did. وقتی که شما در لندن بودید، با یگان نمایشگاه رفتید؟ البته رفتیم. وقتی که شما در لندن بودید، با یگان نمایشگاه رفتید؟ البته رفتیم. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and that's it. So see you guys in the next video. Khair. Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome back. My name is Hussein, and this is week 17. So, don't forget, you can find a PDF of this lesson in the description box. So our first word is you are welcome. Salomat boshid. Salomat boshid. Salomat boshid. Thank you so much for helping. You are welcome. Tashakuri ziyod baroy kömakaton. Salomat boshid. Tashakuri ziyod baroy kömakaton. Salomat boshid. And instead of tashakuri ziyod, we usually say rahmati kalon. And kalon means big. So rahmati kalon. Great. Buzurg, Oli Janob. Buzurg or Oli Janob. So when it's something like, oh, it's great, it's Oli Janob, and great person, Shakhsi Buzurg. Okay? So I want to be a great actor. من میخواهم که هنرپیشه بزرگ شوم. من میخواهم که هنرپیشه بزرگ شوم. The word هنرپیشه is not that common yet. هنرپیشه means actor. And instead of that, we usually say actor. Actor. No way. Hechgo. 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 And it's the same as if you said like, hell no. No way. So, are you inviting Salim to your birthday party? Salim is a male name. So, no way. آیا شما سلیم را به آزادروزی خود دعوت میکنید؟ هیچگاه. آیا شما سلیم را به آزادروزی خود دعوت میکنید؟ هیچگاه. May I? ممكن است اجازت میدهد من. ممکن است or اجازت دهد من. Yeah, so may I ask you one more question? ممکن است با شما باز یک سوال دهم؟ ممکن است با شما باز یک سوال دهم؟ Maybe. شاید. احتمال. شاید or احتمال. So maybe I'll come too. شاید من هم بیایم. شاید من هم بیایم. And in the north part of Tajikistan, we use ممکن, like maybe. So it will sound like ممکن منم بیام. ممکن منم بیام, because شاید من هم بیایم, it's too formal for us. I hope. امیدوارم که. So hope is umid in Tajik. So I hope Sabrina passed the examination. Sabrina is a female name, it's a girl's name. So امیدوارم که سابرینا از امتحان میگذرد. امیدوارم که سابرینا از امتحان میگذرد. I forgot. من فراموش کردم. And to forget will be فراموش کردن. Okay, so I forgot to turn off the TV before going to bed. پیش از خواب خاموش کردن تلویزور رو فراموش کردم. And the word televisor here, which means TV, is actually not a Tajik word. It's from Russian. And in Tajik, TV is oynay nilgun, but nobody says oynay nilgun. We say televisor instead. Don't forget. فراموش نکنید. Don't forget to bring your books. آوردن کتاب‌های خود را فراموش نکنید. Show me. به من نشان دهید. So, can you show me where is the kitchen? می‌توانید به من آشخانه را نشان دهید؟ I got it. من فهمیدم. So, I got what you mean. من فهمیدم شما چی را در نظر دارید. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you learned something new today. So, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Khair. Salam doston. Hi there, friends. Welcome back. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hussein, and together with my brother Hassan, we teach Tajik in this channel, and both of us, we are from Tajikistan. We have a video series called 500 Most Common Words and Phrases in Tajik, and every Tuesday we teach 10 new vocabulary words, and this is week 18. And don't forget, you can find the link to the PDF file of each lesson in the description box. So let's get started. I agree. Man rozi, and rozi at the end, long E. So, I agree with you 100%. Man 100% با شما راضی هستم. I don't agree. Man راضی نیستم. Okay? راضی نیستم. I don't agree with you. من با شما راضی نیستم. I'm tired. من مانده شدم. Or من خسته شدم. Or من خسته شدم. You can use both of them. But usually in the north people say مانده. It's more common. So I'm tired of watching television. من از تماشای تلویزیون مانده شدم. What's going on? چی گپ or چی شد. چی گپ or چی شد. Okay? چی گپ or چی شد. So I have no idea what's going on. من نمیدونم چی گپ شده ایستاده است. Unfortunately, I don't have time. افسوس که وقت ندارم. And sometimes you may hear people saying متاسفانه is the same like افسوس که. Okay? So the sentence. Tomorrow there is going to be a game of Buzkashi in Gulistan. We could go together if you want. No, unfortunately, I don't have time. Пагоҳ дар Гулистон бузкашӣ мешавад? Агар хоҳӣ, ҳамроҳ меравем. Не, афсӯс ки вақт надорам. Okay, one more time. Пагоҳ дар Гулистон бузкашӣ мешавад? Агар хоҳӣ, ҳамроҳ меравем. Не, афсӯс ки вақт надорам. Gulistan here, Gulistan means a city. It's the name of the city. And what is buzkashi? Buzkashi is a sport. And from Persian, it means goat pulling. The sport has been played across Central Asia for hundreds of years. It involves many players riding a horse and trying to pull a headless, dead goat to one area in a field. And the player earns a point each time he gets the goat to that area. Thank you very much. Tashakkuri ziyod or rahmati kalon. Tashakkuri ziyod or rahmati kalon. And rahmati kalon is more common in the north part of Tajikistan. So, thank you very much for your support. Rahmati kalon baroyi ko'makatон. Rahmati kalon baroyi ko'makatón. Same to you. Baroyi shumo низ or baroyi shumo ham. Baroyi shumo ham or baroyi shumo низ. Okay? Baroyi shumo ham, baroyi shumo низ. So, Happy Navruz. The same to you. Navruz muborak. Baroyi shumo ham muborak. Okay? Navruz muborak. Baroyi shumo ham muborak. And Navruz is a traditional holiday and it's celebrated in many countries, including Tajikistan. And we celebrate it in March. If you want to learn more about that, we have a video and it's only in Tajik. You can find a link to that video in the description box. Enough. Kifoya. 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 And we usually say bas. Bas is more common here in the north. So, is there enough coffee for everyone? Барои ҳама қаҳва кифоя аст? Барои ҳама қаҳва кифоя аст? Now, ҳозир or ҳоло. Ҳоло or ҳозир. Okay? Ҳоло and ҳозир. So, I'm from Pamir, but now I live in Dushanbe. Ман аз Помир мебошам, аммо ҳоло дар Душанбе зиндагӣ мекунам. Ман аз Помир мебошам, аммо ҳоло дар Душанбе зиндагӣ мекунам. I'm not from Pamir, it's just a sentence. Congratulations. Muborak boshad. Or tabrik. Muborak boshad or tabrik. Okay? Tabrik or muborak boshad. So, congratulations, my friend. When is the wedding? Muborak boshad dostam. Toy kayba. Muborak boshad dostam. Toy kayba. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Khair. Hi there, what's up? Salam, chkhel shmo. My name is Hussein and this is week 19. So today we'll learn some colors. We'll learn how to say colors in Tajik. So we'll start with color, rang, rang, rang. So what color shall I paint the kitchen? Oshxonaро бо кадом ранг ранг кунам? Oshxonaро бо кадом ранг ранг кунам? Don't be surprised, we have rang twice here. So rang can be the color, and to paint, if it's a verb, it will be rang kardan. Rang kardan. White, safed. 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 So I bought a white shirt yesterday. Mandina kurtai safed kharidam. Mandina kurtai safed kharidam. Black. Siyoh. 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 So do you see the black clouds? شما ابرهای سیاه را میبینید. شما ابرهای سیاه را میبینید. Green. Subs. 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 We bought green apples at the store. ما از مغازه سیب سبز خریدیم. ما از مغازه سیب سبز خریدیم. Orange. نارنجی. 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 So, orange is my favorite color. نارنجی رنگی دوست داشته من است. نارنجی رنگی دوست داشته من است. Red. سرخ. 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 The leaves are turning red. برگها سرخ شده ایستاده اند. برگها سرخ شده ایستاده اند. Brown. قهوه رنگ. قهوه رنگ. قهوه رنگ. And قهوه means coffee. So قهوه رنگ is like the color of the coffee. His shoes are brown. پایافزولی او قهوه رنگ است. پایافزولی او قهوه رنگ است. Blue. کبود. 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 She has got blue eyes. وی چشمانی کبود دارد. وی چشمانی کبود دارد. Gray. خاکستر رنگ. خاکستر رنگ. خاکستر رنگ. And خاکستر means ash. So it's like ash color. My car is gray. ماشینه من خاکستر رنگ است. ماشینه من خاکستر رنگ است. Yellow. زرد. 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 So I'll take the yellow one. زردش رو میگیرم. زردش رو میگیرم. If you would like to learn more about some other colors, we have another video about the colors. You can find a link to that video in the description box. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Todidan. Hi there friends, Salam Doston. Welcome back. My name is Hussein and this is week 20. So our first word is juice. Sharbat. 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 We also say sok. Sok is from Russian. Sok and sharbat. Alright, I'd like some orange juice. Man kamtar sharbati aflesun mekhoham. Man kamtar sharbati aflesun mekhoham. Компот. 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 Компот is a Russian word and it's a very popular drink here in Tajikistan. It's homemade. Here, this one is a компот made by my mom. It's actually quite simple. Just add some fruits, boiled water and sugar. That's it. So it's sweet. Alright, so do you like компот? شما компот رو دوست می‌دارید? شما компот رو دوست می‌دارید? Actually, we have a video about that, about компот, how to make it. If you are interested, link down below. Alcohol. نوشوکی spirti. نوشوکی spirti. Okay? نوشوکی spirti. Long E at the end. So, I don't drink alcohol. من نوشوکی های spirti نمی-نوشم. من نوشوکی های spirti نمی-نوشم. Okay? So, in a sentence, we say نوشوکی های spirti in plural because I mean all kinds of alcohol drinks like beer, whiskey, vodka, etc. So, no alcohol at all. Okay? Ice. Yach. 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 Okay? Khe. The last letter here. Khe. It might be a little bit challenging for you to say that if you are learning Tajik. But it's okay. Just keep practicing. You will learn. Yach. Okay? So the ice is melting. Yach. Opshuda istuda ast. Yach. Opshuda istuda ast. Meal. Khoyrok. 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 Okay? We also say al-qot. Al-qot. Al-qot is from Arabic. So, thanks for the meal. Tashakkur baroy khoyrok. Tashakkur baroy khoyrok. Rice. Birinch. Birinch. Okay? Birinch. We also say gurunch. In the north, it's more common. Usually people say gurunch. Alright, so we brought home 2 bags of rice. Bachona du khalta birinch ovardem. Bachona du khalta birinch ovardem. Bread. Non. 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 And non here in Tajikistan is a staple food. We have it every day for breakfast, for lunch and dinner usually. And the sentence, I prefer rice to bread. Man birinj ro az non beshtar dost medaram. Man birinj ro az non beshtar dost medaram. And instead of beshtar, you can also say bisyortar. Man birinj ro az non bisyortar dost medaram. And in Tajikistan, actually, it's opposite. We usually have bread, not rice. Egg. Tochum. 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 You know, it's funny. Instead of tochum, usually people say tchum. So, he follows te. Tchum. But we write tochum. Alright, don't put all your eggs in one basket. همه تخم‌های خود را در یک سبد نگذارید. Okay? همه تخم‌های خود را در یک سبد نگذارید. Milk. شیر. شیر. Okay? شیر. So I put some milk in my coffee. Man ba qahvam kamtar shir andoktam. Man ba qahvam kamtar shir andoktam. Meat, gusht. And the last one, gusht. Gusht is meat. Alright, I don't eat as much meat as I used to. Man misli peshtara bisyor gusht namekhuram. Man misli peshtara bisyor gusht namekhuram. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam dostom. Hi there friends. Welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching 500 most common words and phrases video series. And this is week 21. And we'll start with the word cafe. Qahwa khona. Qahwa khona. Qahwa khona. Qahwa itself means coffee and khona is a house. So it's like a coffee house. Qahwa khona. I used to be a waiter in this cafe. Man dar in qahwa khona pesh khizmat budam. Man dar in qahwa khona pesh khizmat budam. And if you want to learn more about cafe and how to order coffee, we have a video about that. You can find a link in the description box. Library. Kitobkhona. 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 Kitob is a book, khona is a house, again. So I need to return this book to the library. Man boyad in kitobro ba kitobkhona bargardonam. Man boyad in kitobro ba kitobkhona bargardonam. Supermarket. Maghoza. 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 Maghoza also means a shop. A shop. So the word supermarket in Russian is supermarket. That's why some people prefer to say supermarket instead of maghoza when they go to the supermarket. Okay? He goes to the supermarket every week. Vay har hafta ba maghoza meravat. Vay har hafta ba maghoza meravat. Bakery. Non-voykhona. 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 And the word non here, non means bread. Okay? That's the type of bread we use here in Tajikistan. So if you want to find some sweet stuff, like in normal bakery, you cannot find it in non-voykhona because in non-voykhona they only sell bread. So that's why you should look for Maghozei Kanodi. That's the place where you can find some sweet stuff. So non-voykhona, okay? She opened a new bakery. Vai non-voykhonei now kshot. Vai non-voykhonei now kshot. Bank. Bonk. 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 So, is the bank open? Bonk kshodast. Bonk kushodast. And in Khojand, in the northern dialect, we say bonk kushodagimi. Bonk kushodagimi. And me at the end, it shows that that's a question. Bonk kushodagimi. Pharmacy. Dorukhona. 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 And doru means medicine. Khona, as you know, is a house. So, dorukhona. Where is the closest pharmacy? Nazdiktarin dorukhona dar kujost. Nazdiktarin dorukhona dar kujost. Cinema. Sinamo. 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 And people also use another word, which is from Russian, kinotheater. Kinotheater. And it's quite common. This word is quite common in Tajikistan. So, the cinema is almost empty. Sinamo qarib kholi bud. Sinamo qarib kholi bud. Theater. 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 So he loves going to the theater. Vay ba teatr raftan ro dost medorat. Vay ba teatr raftan ro dost medorat. Playground. Maydonchei bozi. Maydonchei bozi. Maydonchei bozi. So go to the playground to play. Барои бозӣ кардан ба майдончаи бозӣ равед. Барои бозӣ кардан ба майдончаи бозӣ равед. Swimming pool. Ҳавзи шиноварӣ. Ҳавзи шиноварӣ. Ҳавзи шиноварӣ. The swimming pool will reopen in May. Моҳи май ҳавзи шиноварӣ аз нав ба кор медарояд. Моҳи май ҳавзи шиноварӣ аз нав ба кор медарояд. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I know it's hard to learn a new language, so many questions, but just keep doing that. And remember that the most important things are consistency and practice when you are learning a new language or a new skill. Just keep doing that. You will find your own way. and keep it up. So until next time, bye. سلام دوستان، خوش آمدید. نام من حسین. این هفته 22. Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein. This is week 22, and if you are new to this channel, we teach Tajik here, also known as Farsi Dari. Alright, so let's get started. Tourist. Sayoh. 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 The museums attract a lot of tourists. Muzeiho بسیار سیاحان رو جلب میکند. Muzeiho بسیار سیاحان رو جلب میکنند. Tour guide. راهنمای سیاحی or راهبلد. راهنمای سیاحی or راهبلد. Okay, so راهنمای سیاحی or راهبلد. راهبلد is more common, and also we have another word, gid, which is from Russian. We use it gid as well. Our tour guide showed us the old town. راهبلدمون با ما شهرک کهنه رو نشان داد. راهبلدمون با ما شهرک کهنه رو نشان داد. The word کهنه, which means old, usually people don't pronounce he in the middle. So it sounds like کهنه without he. Visa. Ravodit. And ravodit is not that common. You can also say visa. People will understand you. Alright, my visa has expired. مهلتی ravoditi man ba okhir rasid. مهلتی ravoditi man ba okhir rasid. Passport. شناسنامه. And people also use passport. Passport is also common, so you can use both of them in Tajikistan. So, show me your passport. با من شناسنامه خود را نشان دهید. با من شناسنامه خود را نشان دهید. But Baman here is optional. You can say it without Baman, so it will sound like شناسنامه خود را نشان دهید. And this is the Tajik passport, Tajik international passport. We have two, one international and one local. So, like this. Suitcase. Jomadon. And the word joma means clothes. Jomadon. And people also use chimadan instead of jomadon. Chimadan is from Russian. So the suitcase is too heavy. Jomadon khele vaznin ast. Jomadon khele vaznin ast. If you are traveling to Tajikistan, I would recommend you to watch our video about travel vocabulary. You can find a link to that video in the description box. Hotel. Mehmonkhona. And mehmon, maybe you already know, it means a guest, and khona is a house. Mehmon khona. So the sentence: the hotel can accommodate up to 500 guests. Mehmon khona metavonad to 500 mehmonon qabul kunad. Mehmon khona metavonad to 500 mehmonon qabul kunad. Sightseeing. Tamosho kardan or sayr kardan. Tamosho kardan or sayr kardan. So both tamosho kardan and sayr kardan. And we went sightseeing in Panjakent. ما با تماشای منظرهای پنجکند رفتیم. Panjakent is a small city in western Tajikistan, and if you like the history, you might enjoy visiting the place called Sarazm, which is 5,500 years old, and it's not far from the city center, from Panjakent. Souvenir. Savghoti, bargi sabz, or souvenir. Savghoti or bargi sabz, or another one which is more common, souvenir. Souvenir is from Russian. And to be honest, I've never heard anyone saying savghoti or bargi sabz, even though I worked in a tour company. Bargi sabz, it sounds a little weird because it means like a green leaf. So usually people say souvenir. Okay, the sentence. Bonu wanted to bring home a souvenir. Bonu mekhost ki ba khona souvenir biorad. Bonu mekhost ki ba khona souvenir biorad. And Bonu is a female name. Entrance. Daromadgoh. Daromadan means to enter. So where is the entrance? Daromadgoh dar kujo. And you might hear people saying dar kujost or dar kujo ast, but it's a bit too formal. You can just say daromatgoh dar kujo. Exit, baromatgoh. And the last one, baromatgoh, baromatgoh. And sometimes you might see the signs like baromat or daromat. So it's the same, baromatgoh, baromat. Baromatgoh is more common. So there are 12 exits in the building. Bino 12 to baromatgoh dorad. Bino 12 baromatgoh dorad. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Rahmati kalom baroy tamosho kardagiyatон. Саломат бошед. Хайр. Hi there friends, Salam Doston. Welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching our 500 most common words and phrases video series, and this is week 23. And we'll start with the word business. Tijorat. 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 And also people use business. Business as well. Both of them are quite common. So, Tolib is saving up his money to start a business. Tolib pulashro baroi oghozi tijorat sarfa mekunad. Tolib pulashro baroi oghozi tijorat sarfa mekunad. And Tolib is a male name, and don't be surprised if you hear sarf without I at the end as the opposite word, like not to save, but to spend. People use it like pul sarf kardan, to spend money, or vaqt sarf kardan, to spend time. And sometimes also like to waste time or to waste money. Company, shirkat, shirkat, shirkat. He started his company with very little money. او شرکت خود را با پول خیلی کم آغاز کرد. او شرکت خود را با پول خیلی کم آغاز کرد. Office, idora, idora, idora. And also people use office, this word, office. You can use both of them, office or idora. So I'll be in the office on Monday. Man روزی دوشنبه در idora میشوم. Man روزی دوشنبه در idora میشوم. And also there's another option. Man روزی دوشنبه در idora خواهم بود. This is too formal. خواهم بود. It's not that common. People usually say میشوم. Job, kor, kor, kor. Very simple, but r at the end you should practice if you can't say that. So r, okay, kor. So what kind of job are you looking for? شما چه خیل کار میجوید؟ شما چه خیل کار میجوید؟ Coworker, همکار, همکار, همکار. And ham here is like mate. I mean like classmate in English or roommate. So ham is the same and kor is work. So you work together. So my coworker taught me a lot about painting. همکارم با من درباره رسمکشی بسیار چیزها را آموزاند. One more time. همکارم با من درباره رسمکشی بسیار چیزها را آموزاند. Boss, سردار or رهبر. سردار, سردار or رهبر, رهبر. And you might also hear people saying boss, just like in English. So, he is loyal to his boss. وی با سردار خود صادق است. وی با سردار خود صادق است. Meeting, واخوری or مجلس. واخوری, واخوری or مجلس, مجلس. And people also say واخوری, not ö, but واخوری instead of ö. So, I have a very important meeting today. من امروز یک واخوری خیلی مهم دارم. من امروز یک واخوری خیلی مهم دارم. Contract, شرطنامه. شرطنامه, شرطنامه. So, the sentence. توهیر signed the contract. توهیر شرطنامه را امضا کرد. توهیر شرطنامه را امضا کرد. And توهیر is another male name. Salary, معاش or مزدی مهنت. معاش, معاش or مزدی مهنت. مزدی مهنت. And معاش is more common. So, Umar asked for a higher salary. Umar معاشی بالاتر را طلب کرد. Umar معاشی بالاتر را talab kard. Busy, band, serkor, band, or serkor, serkor. So, I'll be very busy next month. ماه آینده من خیلی بند میشوم. ماه آینده من خیلی بند میشوم. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam doston. Hi there friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 24, and we'll start with the word mirror. Oyna, oyna, oyna. So the sentence: she looked into the mirror. Vay ba oyna nigarist. Vay ba oyna nigarist. A nigarist is a bit too formal, so in the north we usually say ba oyna nigoh kard. Vay ba oyna nigoh kard instead of nigarist. Soap, sobun, sobun, sobun. And in the north, again, we usually say sovun, not sobun. So instead of b in the middle, we say v, sovun. Okay, so there is no soap in the bathroom. Dar hamom sobun nest. Dar hamom sobun nest. Toothbrush, chutkei dandonshui. Chutkei dandonshui. And chutka is a brush and dandon teeth. So chotkei dandon shui, but I don't really hear people saying chotkei dandon shui. Instead of that, usually people use the Russian word zubnaya shotka. Zubnaya shotka. That's from Russian. All right. Have you brought your toothbrush with you? Shumo bo khud chotkei dandon shui ro ovardid. Shumo bo khud chotkei dandon shui ro ovardid. Toothpaste. Khamirei dandon shui. خمیره دندانشویی. خمیره دندانشویی. Where's the toothpaste? خمیره دندانشویی در کجاست؟ خمیره دندانشویی در کجاست؟ And خمیره دندانشویی is not that common yet, and people still use, most people still use lots of Russian words. So again, for this one, people say not خمیره دندانشویی, but they say зубная pasta. Зубная pasta. Shampoo, 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 shampoo. We bought shampoo and toothpaste. ما شامپون و خمیره دندانشویی خریدیم. ما شامپون و خمیره دندانشویی خریدیم. Take a shower. آبازی کردن. آبازی کردن. آبازی کردن. I take a shower every night. من هر شب آبازی میکنم. من هر شب آبازی میکنم. Towel, سچوق, سچوق, سچوق. He needs a towel. با وی سچوق لازم است. با وی سچوق لازم است. Comb, شانه, شانه. شانه is a noun, and if you add kardan, شانه kardan, it will be a verb. To comb will be shona kardan. Okay, so the sentence: Usman combed his hair. Usman mo'y khud ro shona kard. Usman mo'y khud ro shona kard. Perfume, atr, atr, atr. So some Tajiks, they cannot say atr because there are two consonants in a row. T, r, atr. That's why they add in the middle. They put e, so it will sound like atir. Atir, okay? It will make it easier for them to say that. So, the sentence: Parvina doesn't wear cheap perfume. Parvina atri arzon ro istifoda namibarad. Parvina atri arzon ro istifoda namibarad. Hair dryer. Mo'y khushkunak. Mo'y khushkunak. Mo'y khushkunak. Mo'y means hair and khushk kardan, to dry. So, my sister bought an expensive hair dryer. خواهر من یک موی خشککنک قیمت‌بها خرید. خواهر من یک موی خشککنک قیمت‌بها خرید. And sometimes people, instead of saying قیمت‌بها, they just say قیمت. قیمت. It means expensive. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Khair. Hello friends, Salam Doston, welcome back. My name is Hussein. You are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 25. And we'll start with the word temperature, harorat, 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 okay? So the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Harorat 35 derece garm ast. Harorat 35 derece garm ast. And we use the word garm here. Garm means hot. But when we talk about below or above zero we say garm. For example, 5 degrees above zero, 5 derece garm. And cold, below zero, we say khunuk. 5 degrees below zero, 5 derece khunuk. And in Tajikistan, we use Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Kilogram, 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 kilogram. I need 2 kilograms of rice. Baman 2 kilogram pirinç lozim ast. Baman 2 kilogram pirinç lozim ast. In the north part of Tajikistan, we usually say gurunch instead of pirinç. So don't be surprised if you hear people saying gurunch instead of pirinç. Kilometer, 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 kilometer. And some people, especially Russians, they say kilometer. So kilometer, not kilometer. Okay? So we ran for 10 kilometers. Mo ba masofai 10 kilometer davidim. Mo ba masofai 10 kilometer davidim. And you can also say mo 10 kilometer davidim. Instead of ba masofai, just mo 10 kilometer davidim. Liter, 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 liter. So Akmal drinks at least 3 liters of water every day. And Akmal is a male name. So Akmal harus nakamtaras 3 liter op menushat. Akmal harus nakamtaras 3 liter op menushat. Height, balandi, 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 and at the end, long E. So, I'm afraid of heights. Man az balandi metarsam. Man az balandi metarsam. Length, darozi, darozi, darozi. So, it's about a meter in length. Darozi on takriban 1 meter ast. Darozi on takriban 1 meter ast. Width, bar, bar, bar. And it's not about the place where you can get a drink, but just width, okay? Bar. So, the road has a width of 5 meters. Bari roh 5 meter ro tashkil medihat. Bari roh 5 meter ro tashkil medihat. And also, people use the word vasegi sometimes. So, vasegi is borrowed from Arabic, and they mean the same, vasegi and bar. Weight, vazn, vazn, vazn. So, what's your weight? Vazni shumo chandast. Vazni shumo chandast. And usually we say, in the north, we say shumo chan kilo. Shumo chand kilo. It's more informal. And if you want to say like she lost weight, and the word lost, lose, will be gum kardan. So we don't translate it literally. We say vai kharob shut. She lost weight. Vai kharob shut. As you can see, there is no vazn there because we don't translate it literally. Vai kharob shut. And she gained weight will be vai farbe shut. Vai farbe shut. Heavy, vaznin, vaznin, vaznin. This box is very heavy. In quti khele vaznin ast. In quti khele vaznin ast. And some people, instead of vaznin, they say vazbin. So they mean the same, vazbin or vaznin. Light, sabuk, sabuk, sabuk. So this suitcase is light. In Jomadon sabukast. In Jomadon sabukast. That's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. And as usual, you can find the link to the PDF file of this lesson in the description box. So until next time, khair. Salam Doston. Hi there, friends. Welcome. My name is Hussein. This is week 26. And without further ado, let's get started. Dog, sak. sag, sag. And there's another one, kuchuk. Kuchuk is probably from Uzbek language. So you might hear both sag and kuchuk. Sag is formal. So I take a walk with my dog in the evening. Begohi bo sagam sayrogasht mekunam. Begohi, long e. Begohi bo sagam sayrogasht mekunam. Cat, gurba. Gurba, gurba. And there's another one, pishak, pishak. But the proper one is gurba. Okay? So it's easy for cats to climb a tree. Барои гурбаҳо ба дарахт баромадан осон аст. Барои гурбаҳо ба дарахт баромадан осон аст. Bird, paranda, paranda. So the birds were singing on the roof. Парандаҳо дар болои бом суруд мехонданд. Парандаҳо дар болои бом суруд мехонданд. Wolf, gurg, gurg, gurg. So wolves don't usually attack people. Gurgҳо одатан ба одамон ҳамла намекунанд. Gurgҳо одатан ба одамон ҳамла намекунанд. Rabbit, харгӯш, харгӯш, харгӯш. So the rabbit hid behind the tree. Харгӯш дар паси дарахт пинҳон шуд. Харгӯш дар паси дарахт пинҳон шуд. And instead of pinhon, normally we use, in the north part of Tajikistan, we use rust shud instead of pinhon. Another word, pasi, instead of pasi, we say pushti, pushti, okay? So the whole sentence would sound like this. Khargosh dar pushti darakht rust shud. So this one is more common in the north part of Tajikistan. Snake, mor, mor, mor. Okay, so Abdumalik isn't scared of snakes. Abdumalik is a male name. So Abdumalik az morho nametarsad. Abdumalik az morho nametarsad. Bear, khirs, khirs, khirs. Are there any bears around here? Dar injo yagon khirsho hastant. Dar injo yagon khirsho hastant. Monkey, maimun, maimun, maimun. So we saw monkeys at the zoo. Mo dar boghi hayvonot maimunho ro didem. Mo dar boghi hayvonot maimunho ro didem. Tiger, palang, palang, palang. So the sentence: no wild tigers are to be found in Africa. Dar Afriqo yagon palangi bakhshi dida nameshavad. Dar Afriqo yagon palangi bakhshi dida nameshavad. Lion, sher, sher, okay, sher. So, which is stronger, tiger or a lion? Kadomash purqovattар аст, palang yo sher? Kadomash purqovattар аст, palang yo sher? Alright, so now you know how to say 10 different animals in Tajik. So, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys in the next video. Khair. Hi there friends, Salam Doston. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hussein, and together with my brother Hassan, we teach Tajik in this channel. And right now, you are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every week, we teach 10 new vocabulary words. And this is week 27. And our first word is illness, bemori, bemori, bemori. So the sentence, he was absent because of illness. Vai as sababi bemori hozir nabud. Vai as sababi bemori hozir nabud. And the word hozir has two meanings. One is like right now, hozir, now. And another meaning, hozir is like present. You are there at the time. So it's like the opposite of absent. Injury, jarohat, jarohat, jarohat. Okay, so the doctor treated Asiya's injury. Asiya is a female name. So in Tajik, Dukhtur jarohati Asiya ro tabobat kard. Dukhtur jarohati Asiya ro tabobat kard. To break, shikastan, Shikastan. Shikastan. So Fakhreddin fell and broke his arm while he was skiing. And Fakhreddin is a male name. So Fakhreddin hangomi lyżaronی افتیده دستش رو شکست. Fakhreddin hangomi lyżaronی افتیده دستش رو شکست. The word shikastan is an infinitive, and in a sentence it comes as shikast. So if you want to know why, you can watch our video about the verbs, and you can find a link to that video in the description box. Medicine. Doru. 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 Okay, so if you take this medicine, you will feel better. اگر شما این دارو رو استعمال کنید، خود را بهتر حس میکنید. Okay, one more time. اگر شما این دارو رو استعمال کنید، خود را بهتر حس میکنید. Pain. درد. 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 Okay, so I'm not in any pain. من یگان درد ندارم. من یگان درد ندارم. Luckily. Normally, we don't pronounce the last letter de at the end, so it sounds like dar, dar. And it's the same like in English, you say brand new, you don't say brand new, right? Brand new, so it's the same, dar. Cold, zukom, zukom, zukom. So the sentence, I have a cold, man zukom shudam. Man zukom shudam. And zukom is so rare. To be honest, I've never heard anyone using this word. Normally, we say man bemor shudam or man kasal shudam. Instead of zukom, we use bemor and kasal. Remedy. Davo. 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 Okay? So, hot lemon tea with honey is a good remedy for colds. چای گرم با لیمو و عسل برای زکام دوای خوب است. One more time. چای گرم با لیمو و عسل برای زکام دوای خوب است. Fatigue. خستگی. 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 Long E at the end. So, Ravshan looks fatigued, and Ravshan is a male name. So, Ravshan خسته می نماید. Ravshan خسته می نماید. Blood. خون. 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 And the first letter is خ. خ. خون. Okay. Do you know your blood type? شما گروهی خونتان رو میدونید؟ شما گروهی خونتان رو میدونید؟ Pressure. فشار. 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 I have a high blood pressure. فشاری من بلند است. فشاری من بلند است. Alright, that was our last word. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Khair. Salam doston. Hey there friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein, and in this channel we teach Tajik with my brother Hassan. So, in today's episode we'll talk about some subjects we study at school or at the university. So, our first subject is biology. Biologia. 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 And sometimes people pronounce it as biologia instead of O in the middle. They pronounce it A, biologia, because it was borrowed from Russian language. And in Russian it sounds like biologia, not biologia. Okay? So, the sentence. Biology is sometimes quite hard to understand. Базан фаҳмидани биология хеле душвор аст. Базан фаҳмидани биология хеле душвор аст. And if you are wondering how to say subject in Tajik, it's fun. Very simple. Fun. So, biology subject will be fani biologia. Fani with double N, biologia. Chemistry. Kimio. 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 And some people say chimia instead of kimio. Kimio is in Tajik and chimia is in Russian. So, the sentence, he is a professor of chemistry at Cambridge. Вай профессори кимио дар Кембридж мебошад. Вай профессори кимио дар Кембридж мебошад. Physics. Fizika. 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 So, we had an examination in physics yesterday. In Tajik, мо дирӯз аз фанни физика имтиҳон доштем. мо дирӯз аз фанни физика имтиҳон доштем. Economics, иқтисодиёт, иқтисодиёт, иқтисодиёт. And if it's hard for you to pronounce that, you can just pronounce first two letters first, like iq, and then tisodiyot, iqtisodiyot. Okay? So the sentence: I never liked economics. Man fani iqtisodiyot ro hech goh do'st namedostam. Man fani iqtisodiyot ro hech goh do'st namedostam. Math, математика, математика, математика. Okay? So I like math. Man математикаро дӯст медорам. Man математикаро дӯст медорам. English, англиси, англиси, англиси. And we also say забони англиси, which means English language. Okay? So she teaches English to elementary students. Вай ба хонандагои синфҳои ибтидоӣ забони англисӣ дарс медиҳад. Okay, one more time. Вай ба хонандагони синфҳои ибтидоӣ забони англисӣ дарс медиҳад. History, тарих, тарих, or some people say tarikh. So you can say tarikh, but you see, because of letter a, alomati sakta, Tajik letter, you may pronounce it like long a, tarikh. And similar to English word door, when you pronounce or like long or, door. So the sentence: he is studying history in college. Вай дар колледж таърихро меомӯзад. Вай дар колледж таърихро меомӯзад. Geography, geographia, geographia, geographia. Okay, it's a bit tricky. Je and khe, geographia. So I'm good at geography. Man geographiaро хуб медонам. Man geographiаро хуб медонам. PE, тарбияи ҷисмонӣ, тарбияи ҷисмонӣ, тарбияи ҷисмонӣ. So the PE class starts at 9. тарбияи ҷисмонӣ соати 9 оғоз мешавад. One more time. тарбияи ҷисмонӣ соати 9 оғоз мешавад. And instead of оғоз мешавад, normally we say, in the north part, we say сар мешавад instead of оғоз мешавад. Psychology, psychologia, psychologia, psychologia. But usually we say psychologia after khe, the letter khe, we say psychologia, because it was borrowed from Russian, just like the word biologia, biology, the same, psychologia. Okay, so that's why don't be confused if you hear instead of o after khe. So the sentence: psychology is an interesting subject. Psychologia fani shavqovar meboshat. Psychologia fani shavqovar meboshat. Alright, that's it for today, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please click the like button so it will help other people to find this video and to find our channel. So thank you very much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and if you are new to this channel, my brother Hassan and I, we teach Tajik here. And right now you are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every Tuesday we teach 10 more new vocabulary words, and at the end we'll have 500. This is week 29, so let's get started. Email, почтой электронный, почтой электронный, почтой электронный. So the sentence: you can email us. شما میتوانید با پچته الکترونی ما نویسید. شما میتوانید با پچته الکترونی ما نویسید. Text message, payomak, payomak, payomak. But we don't say payomak, we say SMS instead, SMS. So why do we teach you payomak if we use SMS? Because we want you to know both formal and informal Tajik. If you only use formal Tajik, then probably not many Tajiks, locals, will be able to understand you, because we use some other informal words. That's why we teach you both formal and informal. So the sentence: she sent me a text message saying that she'll be late. Вай ба ман паёмак фиристод ки дер мешавад. Вай ба ман паёмак фиристод ки дер мешавад. And the way we would say it, it would sound like Вай ба ман SMS фиристод ки дер мешавад. Phone, telephone, telephone, telephone. And you may hear people saying telefoni mobili, but it's a bit too long. Telefoni mobili. So, the sentence. Where is your phone? Telefoni shumo dar kujo. Telefoni shumo dar kujo. Phone number. Raqami mobili or raqami telefon. Raqami mobili. Raqami mobili or raqami telefon. Raqami telefon. So, my phone number is +992 98 123 4567. So +992 is the country code, and then 98 is the mobile operator, and then the number. So in Tajik, رقم تلفنی من +992 98 123 45 67. So as you might notice, we don't say that each number one by one, but we say in tens and hundreds. Computer, royona, computer. Royona, royona, or computer. Everybody says computer, not royona. So royona is not that common yet. So the sentence, I'm going to buy a new computer tomorrow. Man pago computeri nav mecharam, or with royona, man pago royonei nav mecharam. Printer, ماشینه‌ای چاپ کنی or دستگاه چاپ کنی. ماشینه‌ای چاپ کنی or دستگاه چاپ کنی. And it's the same just like royona, computer. We don't say ماشینه‌ای چاپ کنی. We say printer, printer, just like in English, printer. So, I bought this printer last year. من این ماشینه‌ای چاپ کنی رو سال گذشته خریدم. من این ماشینه چاپ کنی رو سال گذشته خریدم. But we would say من این پرینتر رو سال گذشته خریدم instead of ماشینه چاپ کنی. Radio, 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 radio. Very simple, just like in English. So, I heard the news on the radio. من این خبر رو از رادیو شنیدم. من این خبر رو از رادیو شنیدم. TV, oynay nilgun, or televisor. Oynay nilgun, oynay nilgun. Again, nobody says oynay nilgun. We say televisor, televisor instead. So, do you watch TV? شما تلویزر تماشا میکنید؟ شما تلویزر تماشا میکنید؟ Internet, internet. Internet, internet. So she goes on the internet daily. Вай هر روز از اینترنت استفاده میبرد. وای هر روز از اینترنت استفاده میبرد. Usually we don't say از اینترنت استفاده میبرد. We just say وای هر روز اینترنت استفاده میبرد. But our Tajik teacher from the university, he told us that we better put as there. So it will be more like proper Tajik. وای هر روز از اینترنت استفاده میبرد. Newspaper, روزنامه. روزنامه, روزنامه. So Karim didn't read the newspaper yesterday. Karim دیروز روزنامه رو نخونده بود. Karim دیروز روزنامه رو نخونده بود. And Karim is a male name, our neighbor's name. Alright, that's been it. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember, you can find all of these words and sentences that we used in this class in a PDF file, and the link to that PDF file you can find in the description box. So, see you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam doston. Hi friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. And in this channel, together with my brother, we teach Tajik. This is week 30, and our first word is money. Pul. Pul. So, the sentence. He had a lot of money in the bank. Вай дар банк пули зиёд дошт. Вай дар банк пули зиёд дошт. Coin. Tanga. 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 So the sentence. I collect rare coins. من تنگه‌های نادر جمع میکنم. من تنگه‌های نادر جمع میکنم. Cash, نقد, نقد, نقد. But we say نقد, maybe because it's easier to say نقد. Okay, so the sentence. I'd like to pay in cash. من میخواهم با پول نقد پرداخت کنم. من میخواهم با پول نقد پرداخت کنم. Debit cards. کارت دبیتی. کارت دبیتی. کارت دبیتی. So the sentence. I paid with my debit card. من با کارت دبیتی خود پرداخت کردم. من با کارت دبیتی خود پرداخت کردم. Credit card. کارت کردیتی. کارت کردیتی. کارت کردیتی. So the sentence. Can I pay with a credit card? آیا من میتوانم با کارت کردیتی پرداخت کنم؟ آیا من میتوانم با کارت کردیتی پرداخت کنم؟ And oyo is optional here. You don't need oyo. Oyo makes it more formal. In the north part of Tajikistan, this sentence is too formal, so we would say با کارت پرداخت کنم میشد می. با کارت پرداخت کنم میشد می. As far as I know, in Tajikistan we use only debit cards because credit cards are still something new. Only a few banks offer credit cards. So majority of people still use cash. Wallet, hamyon, hamyon, hamyon. Also, you can hear people using another word, a Russian word, kошелек, kошелек. So the sentence, I lost my wallet. Man hamyonamro gum kardam. Man hamyonamro gum kardam. Document, hujjat or sanat. Hujjat or sanat. Sanat. But hujjat is more common. So the sentence. I've already read that document. Man alakay on hujjat ro khondam. Man alakay on hujjat ro khondam. Report. Hisobot. 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 So the sentence. Bring me the report, please. Lutfan hisobot ro ba man biyored. Lutfan hisobot ro ba man biyored. We Tajiks don't really use the word please. In Tajik, lutfan and iltimos both mean the same thing. In our daily conversation, we don't really use these words, but we might use them when we really need something from other people. Mail, почта, почта, почта. So the sentence, I'll send the book by mail. Man kitabro bo vositayi почта mefristam. Man kitabro bo vositayi почта mefristam. Website, somona, somona, somona. A lot of people use website, so you can use both, somona and website. So the sentence, responses will be posted on our website. جوابها در سامانه ما جایگیر کرده می شوند. جوابها در سامانه ما جایگیر کرده می شوند. Alright, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Salam doston. Hi there friends, welcome back. I'm back, it's me this time around, it's Hussein. So you are watching our 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And this is week 31, so let's start. Happy, خوشبخت, خوشبخت, خوشبخت. So the sentence, he's not rich but he's happy. Vay sarvatmand nest amo خوشبخت است. Vay sarvatmand nest amo خوشبخت است. And instead of sarvatmand, we usually use boy. So boy means rich. So boy is more common. Sad, غمگین or ziq. غمگین, غمگین or ziq, ziq. Ziq is more common. So the sentence, why are you so sad? چرا اینقدر غمگینید? چرا اینقدر غمگینید? Or the way we would say it, چرا شما اینقدر زیق? چرا شما اینقدر زیق? Okay? So in the first example, we don't have شما because we end the verb with ed, غمگینید. So that's why it's not important to put shumo in the first example. Shy, sharmgin, sharmgin, sharmgin. So I used to be shy when I was younger. Man dar javoni sharmgin budam. Man dar javoni sharmgin budam. Funny, khanda ovar, khanda ovar, khanda ovar. So khanda means a smile, and ovardan means to bring. So khanda ovar, it's like something that makes you smile or laugh. So the sentence, Rustam told me a very funny joke. Rustam baman sukhani khele khanda ovar guft. Rustam baman sukhani khele khanda ovar guft. Bored, dilgir or diltang. Dilgir, dilgir, or another one, diltang, diltang. And dil means heart. So there is another word which is more common in the north part. We say ziq. So you already know that ziq has another meaning as well, sad. And the second meaning is like bored. So the sentence, I'm just a little bored. Man kamtar dilgir shudam. Man kamtar dilgir shudam. Or the way we would say it, it would be man kamtar ziq shudam. Man kamtar ziq shudam, which is more common in the north part. Angry, khashmgin, ghazabnok. Khashmgin, khashmgin, and another one, ghazabnok, ghazabnok. And we have another one, another two, fail and jahal. These two are nouns, fail and jahal. But khashmgin and ghazabnok, they are more formal. So the sentence, I had no idea Eraj was angry. Eraj is a male name. So in Tajik, man namedonistam ki Eraj khashmgin bud. Man namedonistam ki Eraj khashmgin bud. And the more informal way, the way we would say in the north part of Tajikistan, it would sound like man namedonistam ki Eraj felash omadagi bud. Man namedonistam ki Eraj felash omadagi bud. You see, it's a little bit different. Northern dialect. Scared, tarsidan, 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 scared. So I'm scared of snakes. Man az morho metarsam. Man az morho metarsam. Tired, khasta, monda, khasta or monda. So khasta and monda. We use both of them. So the sentence, the children were tired after the long trip. بچه‌ها بعدی سفری دور و دراز مانده شدند. بچه‌ها بعدی سفری دور و دراز مانده شدند. Worried, خواطیر, خواطیر, خواطیر. So the sentence, I became worried when they didn't arrive on time. And in Tajik, وقتی که آنها در وقتش نیامدند من خواطیر شدم. وقتی که آنها در وقتش نیامدند من خواطیر شدم. And man here is optional. You can say it without man, just خواطیر شدم, because it ends with شدم so that's why you don't really need man here, but it's optional. Surprised, حیران, در حیرت. حیران, حیران, or another one, در حیرت. So in a sentence we say در حیرت ماندن. So she was surprised to hear the news. وی از شنیدن این خبر حیران ماند. وی از شنیدن این خبر حیران ماند. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and catch you guys in the next video. Khair. Hi there friends, Salam Doston. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. So our first word is spoon. Qoshuk. 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 And people also say chumcha. Okay? Chumcha. So, excuse me, do you have any spoons? میبخشید شما یگان قاشق دارید؟ میبخشید شما یگان قاشق دارید؟ Fork. Changak. 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 And changak, to be honest, I've never heard changak before, even though I used to work as a waiter. We usually use the Russian word, vilka. Vilka is more common. Alright, the sentence. How many more forks do we need? Ba mo boz chand changak lozim ast. ба мо боз чанд чангак лозим аст. Knife, cord, 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 and r in the middle, the letter r. It's silent, and the way we say it, it's more like kot, kot, without r. Give us 2 knives and 4 spoons, please. لطفاً با ما 2 cord و 4 قاشق دهید. So now let's say it without r. لطفاً با ما 2 cord و 4 قاشق دهید. Cup, piola, piola, piola. And the shape of piola is like a mini bowl. It's small. We use it usually when we drink tea. And the sentence, may I have a cup of tea? ممکن است یک پیاله چای نوشم. ممکن است یک پیاله چای نوشم. And don't be surprised, I'm wearing a different shirt because that part of the video wasn't recorded. That's why I look different. Bowl, kosa, kosa, kosa. I'd like a bowl of soup, please. من یک کاسه شوربا می‌خواستم. من یک کاسه شوربا می‌خواستم. Teapot, چوینک, چوینک, چوینک. And there is another one, چوینیک, and I guess this one is more formal, چوینیک, but you can say چوینک. So, she filled the teapot with boiling water. وی چوینک رو با آب جوشان پر کرد. وی چوینک رو با آب جوشان پر کرد. Plate, tabak, tabak, tabak. So, the plate is big. Tabak kalon ast. Tabak kalon ast. Kazan, or cooking pot. Dik, dik, dik. So, my mom cooks pilav in a big cooking pot. مادرم در دیگ کلان آش پلاو میپزد. مادرم در دیگ کلان آش پلاو میپزد. And if you want to make it sound more polite and more in a respectful way, you can end میپزد with and, میپزند. So it will be more like respectful. مادرم در دیگ کلان آش پلاو میپزند. Refrigerator, یخدان, یخدان, یخدان. Put the vegetables in the fridge. سبزیجات ها را به یخدان گذارید. سبزیجات ها را به یخدان گذارید. Tablecloth, دسترخوان, دسترخوان, دسترخوان. So, the sentence, dinner is ready. Spread the tablecloth. خوراک شام آماده است. دسترخوان را گشایید. خوراک شام آماده است. دسترخوان را گشایید. خوراک شام is quite formal. Yeah, some people say خوراک شام, but there is another one, ужин, which is from Russian. Ужин. It means dinner. It's more common. Ужин. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and thanks a lot for leaving us comments and liking our videos. We appreciate that. So, see you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam Doston. Hi there, friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and in this lesson, we'll learn 10 more new vocabulary words, and this is week 33. So let's get started. House, khona, khona, khona. And the sentence, this is our house. In khone most. In khone most. And most here, it's the same like mo ast. It's just short form of mo ast. Okay? And you can also remove ast and just say in khone mo. The meaning will be the same. In khone mo. Apartment, khona or istiqomatgoh. Khona. Again, so this is another meaning of khona, apartment, and another one is istiqomatgoh. So khona and istiqomatgoh. The sentence, her apartment is on the 4th floor. خانه وی در آشیانه 4 است. خانه وی در آشیانه 4 است. Floor, آشیانه, آشیانه, آشیانه. So, how many floors does that building have? آن بنا چند آشیانه دارد. آن بنا چند آشیانه دارد. Room, حجره or خانه. حجره, حجره. And another one, khona, khona. So khona can be an apartment, a house, and also a room. And people don't get confused. Depending on the sentence, the meaning can be different. So the sentence, the room is empty. Hujra kholi ast. Hujra kholi ast. Bedroom. Hujre khob. Hujre khob. Hujre khob. But people don't really say hujre khob. It's not that common. People usually use a Russian word, which is spalnya. Spalnya. So hujre khob is not that common yet. So the sentence, this is my bedroom. This is my bedroom. In hujre khobi man ast. In hujre khobi man ast. Living room. Mehmon khona. Mehmon khona. Mehmon khona. And mehmon means a guest, and khona is like a room here. So mehmon khona, a room for the guests. So the sentence, they are having tea in the living room. Onho dar mehmon khona choy noshide istodand. One more time. Onho dar mehmon khona choy noshide istodand. Bathroom. Hammom or hojat khona. Hojat khona. Hojat khona. And another one is hammom. Hammom. And usually when people say hammom, they talk about the place where you can take a shower. And hojat khona is where you do your business. So hammom, take a shower, and hojat khona is the toilet. They are kind of separate. Alright, the sentence. Where is the bathroom? Hojat khona dar kujost. Hojat khona dar kujost. Kitchen. Oshkhona. 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 So the sentence, I want a kitchen like this. So man chunin oshkhona mekhoham. Man chunin oshkhona mekhoham. Garage. 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 And in Russian, it's the same spelling. Garage. Farhod keeps his tools in the garage. Farhod asbobhoyi khud ro dar garage nigoh medorad. One more time. Farhod asbobhoyi khud ro dar garage nigoh medorad. Garden. Bogh. 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 And at the end, kh, letter kh. So, the sentence. There is a large garden behind my friend's house. Dar pasi khonei dostam boghi kalon mavjud ast. Dar pasi khonei dostam boghi kalon mavjud ast. And if you want to say my female friend, like a girl friend, then you better say dugonam instead of dostam. So dugona will be a female friend. So dar pasi khonei dugonam khonei boghi kalon mavjud ast. Dar pasi khonei dugonam boghi kalon mavjud ast. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and this is week 34. So without further ado, let's get started. Gate, darvoza, darvoza, darvoza. So I'll meet you by the park gate. Man bo tu dar nazdi darvozayi bogh vo mekhoram. Man bo tu dar nazdi darvozayi bogh vo mekhoram. Door, dar. Dar, dar. So come in, the door is open. Daroyed dar kushoda ast. Daroyed dar kushoda ast. Bell, zang. Zang, zang. So Sanjar arrived at the gate and rang the bell. Sanjar is a male name. So Sanjar ba nazdi darvoza omad va zang ro pakhsh kard. Sanjar ba nazdi darvoza omad va zang ro pakhsh kard. Key, khalid. Khalid, khalid is a key. So I'm looking for my key. Man khalidi khud ro mejoyam. Man khalidi khud ro mejoyam. And instead of mejoyam, sometimes people say kofte istodam. So it's continuous. So it will be like man khalidi khud ro kofte istodam. Both are the same, mejoyam or kofte istodam. Lock, qulf, qulf, qulf. So lock the door. Darro qulf kunet. Darro qulf kunet. Window, Tireza. 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 So I like sitting by the window. من در نزد تیرزه نشستن رو دوست می‌دارم. من در نزد تیرزه نشستن رو دوست می‌دارم. Curtain. پرده. 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 So my son hid behind the curtain. And پسرم در پس پرده پنهان شد. پسرم در پس پرده پنهان شد. And پنهان شد is not that common. So it's a little bit formal. So instead of pinhon, we usually say rust shud. So it will be like pisaram dar pasiparda rust shud. Table. Miss. 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 Also people say stol instead of miss. Stol is from Russian. So the sentence, dinner is on the table. And in Tajik, khoiroki shom dar rui mizast. Khoiroki shom dar rui mizast. And rui I with y and rui without y, they both are the same. So you can use either rui I or rui, it doesn't matter. Chair, kursi. Kursi. Kursi is a chair, but people say stool instead. Stool is more common. Stool. And the table was stol, remember? Stol. There are 4 chairs in our kitchen. در آشخانه ما 4 کرسی موجود است. در آشخانه ما 4 کرسی موجود است. And موجود است is from Arabic. You can also replace it with هست. در آشخانه ما 4 کرسی هست. The meaning is the same. Roof. Bomb. 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 The roof. So I see a bird on the roof. در بالای بام پرنده رو میبینم. در بالای بام پرنده رو میبینم. And there is something interesting about پرنده رو. I didn't know about this before. So if you say پرنده رو, if there is ye in the middle, it means that a bird. So we don't know what kind of bird. But if you say the bird, I see the bird on the roof, you will say در بالای بام پرنده رو میبینم. So not پرنده رو, but پرنده رو. So one more time. The bird, پرنده. A bird, پرنده رو. Like that. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Khair. Hi there, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and behind the camera is my brother Hassan. So in this channel, my brother and I, we teach Tajik. So this is week 35 of 500 most common words and phrases video series. So let's get started. My name is Nomiman. 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 And the sentence, my name is Chris. Nomiman Chris. Nomiman Chris. Chris is not my name, just an example. What's your name? Nomi shmo chi. Nomi shmo chi. Nomi shmo chi. And I'm Hussein. What's your name? Man Hussein, nomi shmo chi. Man Hussein, nomi shmo chi. Could you please help me? Iltimos ba man yori dihed. Iltimos ba man yori dihed. Iltimos ba man yori dihed. And it's not a question, it's just a request, and it means the same thing. But the literal translation would be Metavonit ba man yori dihed. Metavonit ba man yori dihed. So they both mean the same. Alright, I need to translate this sentence. Could you please help me? Man boyad in jumla ro tarjuma kunam. Iltimos ba man yori dihed. Man boyad in jumla ro tarjuma kunam. Iltimos ba man yori dihed. I've got a problem. Man mushkili doram. Man mushkili doram. Man mushkili doram. And the sentence, I've got a problem. I need your help. Man mushkili doram. Ba man kömeki tu lozim ast. Man mushkili doram. Ba man kömeki tu lozim ast. I don't feel well. خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. So
I don't feel well. I'm afraid I ate something bad. So in Tajik, خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. من میترسم که چیزی بد خوردم. خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. من میترسم که چیزی بد خوردم. And man here is optional. You can just say میترسم که چیزی بد خوردم. It's the same. In the north part of Tajikistan, we don't really say man خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. That's too long. We just say مازم نه. مازم نه. This is informal. May I make a call? ممکن است زنگ زنم. ممکن است زنگ زنم. ممکن است زنگ زنم. So, the sentence. My friend is waiting for me. May I make a call? دوستم مرا انتظار است. ممکن است زنگ زنم. دوستم مرا انتظار است. ممکن است زنگ زنم. And you might have this kind of situation if you're in a classroom or maybe if you have a meeting. So you might use this kind of sentence. I'd like. من میخواستم. من میخواستم. من میخواستم. So, I'd like to travel to Tajikistan someday. من میخواستم یگان روز به تاجیکستان سفر کنم. من میخواستم یگان روز به تاجیکستان سفر کنم. I don't want. نمیخواهم. نمیخواهم. Or you can also say من نمیخواهم. Like I don't want. So, the sentence. I don't want to go alone. من تنها رفتن نمیخواهم. من تنها رفتن نمیخواهم. I'm thirsty. من تشنه هستم. من تشنه هستم. من تشنه هستم. And you can also say من تشنه without هستم. It's the same. So, the sentence. I'm thirsty. Can you buy me a drink? من تشنه هستم. می توانید با من نوشاکی بخرید. من تشنه هستم. می توانید با من نوشاکی بخرید. I want to sleep. من خواب رفتن میخواهم. من خواب رفتن میخواهم. من خواب رفتن میخواهم. So the sentence. I'm so tired. I want to sleep. من خیلی مانده شدم. من خواب رفتن میخواهم. And you can also say without من, just خیلی مانده شدم. من خواب رفتن میخواهم. That's it for today, and thank you so much for watching our videos, leaving comments and sending us emails. We appreciate that. So take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Salam doston. Hi there friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. This is week 36, and our first phrase is I'm cold. خنک خوردم. خنک خوردم. خنک خوردم. And literally it's like I ate cold. خوردن, because خوردن is to eat. So, but the meaning is I'm cold. Alright, the sentence. I'm cold and I'm wet. I have no idea what to do. من خنک خوردم و تر شدم. نمیدونم که چی کار کنم. من خنک خوردم و تر شدم. نمیدونم که چی کار کنم. I'm hot. من گرم شدم. من گرم شدم. من گرم شدم. So, I'm hot. Can I open the window? من گرم شدم. میتوانم تیره‌زا رو گشایم. من گرم شدم. میتوانم تیره‌زا رو گشایم. I'm okay. من خوبم. من خوبم. من خوبم. And I'm okay. Thanks. من خوبم. تشکر. من خوبم. تشکر. In the north, we say man nachts. Instead of خوبم, we say nachts. Out of order. از کار برآمده. از کار برآمده. از کار برآمده. So, the sentence. The lift is out of order. We have to walk up the stairs. لیفت از کار برآمد. ما باید با زینه‌پایه به بالا رویم. لیفت از کار برآمد. ما باید با زینه‌پایه به بالا رویم. Closed. پوشیده. 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 And the sentence. The store is closed. مغازه پوشیده است. مغازه پوشیده است. And we also say روست sometimes. And پوشیده is more formal. You can see the sign like پوشیده at the store, but not روست. But when we say, usually we say روست. Open. گشاده. Kushoda. Kushoda. So, the museum is open to the public. Осорхона барои тамошобинон кушода аст. Осорхона барои тамошобинон кушода аст. For women, барои занон. Барои занон. Барои занон. So, we have built rooms for women who want to do artwork and other hobbies. мо барои заноне ки мехоҳанд бо корҳои санъат ва дигар маҳфилҳо машғул шаванд утоқҳо сохтем. So, one more time. мо барои заноне ки мехоҳанд бо корҳои санъат ва дигар маҳфилҳо машғул шаванд утоқҳо сохтем. For men, барои мардон. Барои мардон. Барои мардон. Мардон here is plural. Мард will be man. So, they sell products for men. онҳо барои мардон маҳсулот мефурӯшанд. онҳо барои мардон маҳсулот мефурӯшанд. I need to go to the restroom. ман ба ҳоҷатхона рафтанам лозим. ман ба ҳоҷатхона рафтанам лозим. Okay, the sentence. I need to go to the restroom first. ман аввал ба ҳоҷатхона рафтанам лозим. ман аввал ба ҳоҷатхона рафтанам лозим. I have to go. ман бояд равам. ман бояд равам. ман бояд равам. So, I need to go. Today is my nephew's birthday. ман бояд равам. имрӯз зодрӯзи ҷиянам мебошад. ман бояд равам. имрӯз зодрӯзи ҷиянам мебошад. And you can skip мебошад and just say like имрӯз зодрӯзи ҷиянам. It means the same thing. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. That's it for today. And don't forget, you can find the PDF file of this lesson in the description box. You can find the link to that PDF file that you can go and download for free. So, hope to see you in the next video. Khair. Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and behind the camera is my brother Hassan. This is week 37 and our first phrase is I want or I'd like. Man mekhoham or man mekhostam. Man mekhoham will be I want and man mekhostam will be I'd like. Okay? So man mekhoham and man mekhostam. And all of the sentences, all of our examples today in this class will be with I'd like or I want. Alright, the first one is I want to eat ice cream. Man yakhmos khurdan mekhoham. Man yakhmos khurdan mekhoham. To drink. Noshidan. Noshidan. Okay? Noshidan. So, I'd like to drink a cup of tea. Man yak pyola choy noshidan mekhoham. Man yak pyola choy noshidan mekhoham. And if you want, you can put mekhoham at the beginning, so it will be man mekhoham yak pyola choy noshidan. The meaning is the same, but it's more natural if you put mekhoham at the end. Man yak pyola choy noshidan mekhoham. In the northern part of Tajikistan, especially in Khujand, where we are from, Hassan and I, my brother and I, we say choy khurdan instead of choy noshidan. Khurdan is to eat. Yeah, that's how we say choy khurdan instead of noshidan. And it's not common everywhere in Tajikistan, mostly in the northern part of Tajikistan. To take a shower. Hammom kardan. Hammom kardan. Hammom kardan. And also some people say obozi kardan. Obozi is more like swimming, but people use both of them, hammom and obozi. Alright, the sentence. I want to take a shower first. Man aval hammom kardan mekhoham. Man aval hammom kardan mekhoham. To rest a while. Kamtar dam giriftan. Kamtar dam giriftan. Kamtar dam giriftan. And the formal way would be like kami dam giriftan. Kami dam giriftan. And the sentence, I can't run anymore. I want to rest a while. Man digar davida nametavonam. Man kamtar dam giriftan mekhoham. One more time. Man digar davida nametavonam. Man kamtar dam giriftan mekhoham. To change my clothes. Libosamro ivas kardan. Libosamro ivas kardan. Libosamro ivas kardan. And the sentence, These colors don't match. I want to change my clothes. این رنگ ها نه اونقدر خوبند. من لباسم رو عوض کردن میخواهم. Okay, one more time. این رنگ ها نه اونقدر خوبند. من لباسم رو عوض کردن میخواهم. There's another way to say these colors don't match. In Tajik it will be این رنگ ها موافق نیستند. موافق نیستند, don't match. It's the literal translation, but نه اونقدر خوبند sounds more like natural. این رنگ ها نه اونقدر خوبند. To go back to the hotel. با مهمانخانه برگشتن. با مهمانخانه برگشتن. با مهمانخانه برگشتن. Alright, and the sentence? I have a headache. I want to go back to the hotel. سرم درد کرده شده است. من به مهمانخانه برگشتن میخواهم. سرم درد کرده شده است. من به مهمانخانه برگشتن میخواهم. To buy. خریدن. 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 And the sentence? بختیار wants to buy a new house. بختیار خانه نو خریدن میخواهد. بختیار خانه نو خریدن میخواهد. And بختیار is a male name. To go to. با رفتن. با somewhere رفتن. با مکتب رفتن. To go to school. Like that. Alright, the sentence. My friend wants to go to Disneyland. دوستی من با دیسنیلند رفتن میخواهد. دوستی من با دیسنیلند رفتن میخواهد. To visit. سفر کردن or خبر گرفتن. سفر کردن. سفر کردن is to go abroad, to go overseas. And خبر گرفتن, خبر گرفتن is to visit someone, to visit your grandma or to visit your relatives, like that. Okay, so I'd like to visit Singapore. من به سنگاپور سفر کردن میخواهم. من به سنگاپور سفر کردن میخواهم. To meet. واخوردن. 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 Okay, so I want to meet you in person. من با شما شخصاً واخوردن میخواهم. من با شما شخصاً واخوردن میخواهم. Alright, that's been it. Thanks a lot for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye. Khair. Salam. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and if you are new to this channel, my brother Hassan and I, we teach Tajik here. And you are watching our 500 most common words and phrases video series, and this is week 38. So let's get started. What? Chi, chiho, or kadom? Chi, chiho, and kadom. So chi is singular. For example, what did you buy? Tu chi kharidi. Tu chi kharidi. And chiho is plural. For example, what are the things that you like? Tu ba chiho shauq dori. Tu ba chiho shauq dori. And in English we have things there, but in Tajik there is no things. Instead of things we put just chiho. Chiho is enough there. Alright, and kadom is like which. So the sentence. It was not clear what she said. معلوم نبود که وای چی گفت. معلوم نبود که وای چی گفت. In Khujand, which is in the north part of Tajikistan, instead of chi, most of the time people use chize. Chize is super informal. You will not see that in the book, but it's chi. But we use chize. Who? Ki or kiho. Ki and kiho. The same like with chi and chiho. Here, ki is singular, kiho is plural. So, do you know who he is? Medoni vai kiast? Medoni vai kiast? And asked here is optional. You can just say medoni vai ki, like that. Where? Dar kujo. Dar kujo. Dar kujo. So, where do you live? شما در کجا زندگی میکنید؟ شما در کجا زندگی میکنید؟ In Khujand, we say kujonda instead of dar kujo. It's informal, kujonda. That's what people use. And in the capital, in Dushanbe, people say kujoda instead of dar kujo. Some people say dar kujo too, but There is no N like in Khojan, just kujoda. Where to? Ba kujo. Ba kujo. Ba kujo. And again in Khojan, we say kujova instead of ba kujo. This is informal, but it's more common in Khojan, in the northern part of Tajikistan. So, the sentence, where to go now? Aknun ba kujo ravim. Aknun ba kujo ravim. Where from? Az kujo. Az kujo. Az kujo. Where are you from? Shumo az kujo meshaved. Shumo az kujo meshaved. And meshaved is optional here. You can just say shumo az kujo. Shumo az kujo. Why? Baroi chi. Charo. Baroi chi. Baroi chi. Or charo. Charo. And baroi chi is more common. So, why did you buy a flower? Baroi chi shmo gul kharidid. Baroi chi shmo gul kharidid. Which? Kadom. 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 Which color do you like best? Kadom rang ba shumo beshtar ma'qul ast. Kadom rang ba shumo beshtar ma'qul ast. When? Kai. 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 When will we arrive? Mo kai merasim. Mo kai merasim. Since when? As kai. As kai. As kai. And in Khojan we say kai ac instead of as kai. Alright, the sentence. Since when did you become so interested in chess? As kai ba shohmod in qadar shauq paydo kardid. As kai ba shohmod in qadar shauq paydo kardid. At what time? Soati chand. Soati chand. Soati chand. So, at what time will the movie start? Film soati chand sar meshavad. Film soati chand sar meshavad. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it and learned something new, please press the like button. It would help us a lot. So, see you in the next video. Khair. Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and you are watching our 500 most common words and phrases video series. And this is week 39, so let's get started. Here, injo. 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 So the sentence, write your address here. Suroghe khudro dar injo navisid. Suroghe khudro dar injo navisid. There, onjo. 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 And there, here we talk about the place. Not like there are two people, but like there. It's over there. Alright, the sentence. I hope we get there in time. Man umedvoram ki mo dar vaqtash ba onjo meresim. Man umedvoram ki mo dar vaqtash ba onjo meresim. This way. In taraf, in tower. In taraf or in tower. So when you talk about the direction, it's in taraf. So you go this way. And when you talk about the way of doing something, like you should do it this way, it will be in tower. Do it this way. In tower boyat kuni. And the sentence, which is the better way? This way or that way? Kadom roh behtar ast? In taraf yo on taraf. And one more time. Kadom roh behtar ast? In taraf yo on taraf. To turn right. Ba tarafi rost gashtan or ba dasti rost gashtan. Ba tarafi rost gashtan or ba dasti rost gashtan. Dast is the hand. Sometimes we say dasti rost, dasti chop, like right and left. So you can use both taraf, tarafi rost or dasti rost. Alright, the sentence. After 2 kilometers, turn right at the crossroads. Pasas 2 kilometer dar choroha ba tarafi rost gardid. Pasas 2 kilometer dar choroha ba tarafi rost gardid. To turn left. Ba tarafi chap gashtan or ba dasti chap gashtan. Ba tarafi chap gashtan or ba dasti chap gashtan. So you can use both. Alright, at the sentence. Turn to the left and you will see the park. Ba dasti chap gardid bogro mebined. Ba dasti chap gardid
بغرو میبینید. First, second, third turn. گردش یکم، دوم، سیوم. گردش یکم، دوم، سیوم. So یکم، دوم، سیوم is first, second, and third. Alright, so take the first turn to the right. از گردش یکم به طرف راست گردید. از گردش یکم به طرف راست گردید. To go straight ahead. راست رفتن. راست رفتن. راست رفتن. راست has two meanings, like to the right or also straight ahead. And don't be confused, because when we don't say دستی راست or طرفی راست, we just mean straight ahead. So when we want to say go to turn to the right, we say دستی راست گشتن or طرفی راست گشتن. So we use دست or طرف when we talk about right or left. So without it, just straight. راست means straight. Go straight ahead along the street. با این کوچه راست میروید. با این کوچه راست میروید. Show me on the map. با من در خریطه نشان دهید. با من در خریطه نشان دهید. با من در خریطه نشان دهید. And a sentence. I can't find the پنجشنبه market. Can you show me on the map, please? بازار پنجشنبه را یافته نمیتوانم. میتوانید با من در خریطه نشان دهید؟ بازار پنجشنبه را یافته نمیتوانم. میتوانید با من در خریطه نشان دهید؟ Behind. پسی or قفوی. پسی or قفوی. And there is another one that we use in the north. We say pushti. Pusht is the back. So pushti and قفوی, they are more common. Alright, the sentence. What's behind that building? در پسی آن بنا چی است؟ در پسی آن بنا چی است؟ In front of. روبروی. 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 And رو means the face. Okay, the sentence. There is a beautiful tree in front of my house. در روبروی خانه من درختی زیبا موجود است. در روبروی خانه من درختی زیبا موجود است. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Khair. Salam doston, hi there friends. Welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and by the way, in this class you will learn how to say welcome in Tajik. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome. Khush omadid. Khush omadid. Khush omadid. And welcome to our home. Khush omadid ba khone mo. Khush omadid ba khone mo. Khush omadid is different from Salomat boshed. We say Salomat boshed when somebody says, thank you, you are welcome. So you are welcome is Salomat boshed. But Khush omadid is when we greet somebody. For example, if I have you in my house, I will say Khush omadid. Or if you come to Tajikistan, people will say Khush omadid ba Tajikistan. So this Khush omadid is different from Salomat boshed. Push. Tela dodan. Tela dodan. Tela dodan. And sometimes people say tele kardan. They both mean the same thing. So the sentence. Push the door to open. Darro baroy kushodan tele dihed. Darro baroy kushodan tele dihed. Pull. Kashidan. 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 And kashidan has another meaning as well. It's to draw something. Also, it will be kashidan. Alright, the sentence. You have to pull that door to open it. برای کشودن در رو به طرف خود کشید. برای کشودن در رو به طرف خود کشید. To pay attention. اهمیت دادن or دقت دادن. اهمیت دادن or دقت دادن. اهمیت or دقت دادن. Alright, so don't pay any attention to what they say. با گفته‌های آنها اهمیت ندهید. با گفته‌های آنها اهمیت ندهید. No smoking. تماکو کشی من است. تماکو کشی من است. تماکو کشی من است. So no smoking in here. در اینجا تماکو کشی من است. در اینجا
тамоку каши ман аст. Do not touch. Даст нарасонид. Даст нарасонид. Даст нарасонид. So dast is a hand and rasidan is to touch. But here it's narasidan. So if we add na before the verb, it becomes negative. Narasidan. Okay, dast narasonid. All right, the sentence. Don't touch anything. Bahechis dast narasonid. Bahechis dast narasonid. Danger. Khatar. 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 And the sentence. I was not fully aware of the danger. Man az on khatar purra ogoh nabudam. Man az on khatar purra ogoh nabudam. Forbidden. Man ast. Man ast. Man ast. It's forbidden to drive here faster than 40 kilometers per hour. Дар инҷо бо сурати аз 40 километр тезтар рондан ман аст. Дар инҷо бо сурати аз 40 километр тезтар рондан ман аст. Discount. Takhfif. 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 So, clothes are often available at a discount. Libosho aksar vaqt bo takhfif dastrasand. Libosho aksar vaqt bo takhfif dastrasand. New. Nav or navbaromat. Nav or navbaromat. Navbaromat is like a new edition or brand new. So now is just new, a new house. Khonei now, for example. All right, the sentence. Fazilat bought herself new shoes. Fazilat bahut poyavzoli nav kharid. Fazilat bahut poyavzoli nav kharid. All right, that's been it. Thank you very much for watching, and remember the link to the PDF file of this lesson is available in the description box. So take care, see you in the next video. Khair.